So as we listen to this song, let us have in mind that laziness breeds poverty. So ya kwadro and you here and eba. Anunti anyhow any bibia so here. Let's learn to move away from being too lazy. Let's not be lazy. Yanya jumade. Tebio yamfem free soro.
Ghana Fire Service. You be film tuma. When I saw you of film tuma, aha na baba cancer. Off the British burn. Yabo mazina in Nazamba. It's an action come. And here community. Yaza ye and dead donor centre in there. Yabo mazina fi to me as some. In the vacancy warrior or doom jazz or your film tum or your Pedu. Aha headquarters and one no. Yabo mazina or doom jejuma. Kotin na you want to show come na ya hwe kwan pa wotumu foda woti oye honadwuma ye hwehwema abaseno kwa fitabra Ghana odum jejuma wo hya se wo djuma no 1963 na wo hya se de Ghana awoda wotumu nya nazamba wo ye meyi na mesafo mu gina ntokwanan ofibere to bere no oye ijane dum akwana eba foda hene bambo wo oye protocol wo safety abamaze na fi etum na ayedwuma dama bere no na wosu jumesi biara wozi biara no wozembra na hihye na wotum na wotu juma nti 1997 na obende dama arti oye 537 obamaze na fi wotum aboa mo wotum de juma bisibiri obamaze akonkozen amembe yedu dem pempensu a na chema mo na ayeko surunku osende oba ne jeduma na wozima adonten papa nnazemba pinja no odum pempensu a nzame bi wo ho ontum no de yi ye bawdum jejuma ebinum hona asama wokan de si jeta na obamaze na fi wotum jujuma apart from jabaton bibi an he obamaze na fi wotum ye biam na ye hu de sana enye jankote na wotum de hunu juma aban na akonhia aban insuyir aban da sabi ibi etum na akabansor na ni sani ayezna ni na odum jejuma uto ho number krampo ibi etum ye hwekoma asa abotan abehye de mu na abotan abehye de mu etene kasai anada otumotene atun safra ho na omamo akwankyere woboa metumi tuanamo akwayim enti mo hona yekọ soronko na emom za ofibere to bere yi za ayo ho ankasa dem obaneda na dum jejima wu tuanamo na ekudum ja nnasemma wo oye ehena ahoro nnasemma okitakututu femfem nnasemma okita oye kokona nkromcha bicycle won peda wo mo hono kwan na fi utum kokete hono djuma bobo emben ahoro biara osafata de doma wo kwan do bomaze we gina nkyere ne hinara nya do otumozimu odum pempensu bia birim aye hona adwen de embere a wo de fro odum jejuma no embudu ntam nti hona adwen da wonye mbokon kozen ne mpemfusi so ho yezena wo seka ho nti insunarmpo so wore ye de wodra ma woda aye ho baka papa na so osan dwumeza wotumozi nti wunya abuta chechiremchira nnazimba motum na wunyeti da ahye ne so de za wore yano no omboa mebibiara ntum no kwanyim na sawore ba ne emma hono kwana enyem ipu eyi za etumi sifie abaya na wufie na sabi odum jejuma worokwa akoboa manzama etuma ayeyi na asama hono kwana odo bebe nzama pinyen etum na asai ana yetasi do odum jejumafo wori jumeza awuriti no yetasi anade ntumi ntasi oban de odum jafo yarefra ho na abetete phone na etum de fra ho e wodam tete phone ahman wo oye phone do anade otenem teden ennazema pi hine phone do kona ya foda ye save hin no meso doso na kona ya ba foda odum jejuma wona namba baba hine phone do oban atuyentembe yetum afra ho nzi ebohwe phone do I love you on manazi the masuna I mix you on nzi na pinye no tomo kaka ho hwe phone na bisa ho de ana kwana sabi se ijata ebo maze na fie etum afra odum jedum damnam na ho wabusia wo fie wo oye ekwande se odum jejuma wo to nsa afra ho na wo na mana abɔboam ebusia yetifie ye womenem ye wadwumam ye bɔbɔ mmɔte na fi etumi etu anamɔ ne ya hyɛ ne so de odum gye adwuma ho ahomatofo no ɔbɛka hini tirim na fi etumi etu anamɔ nnasem ba bi so kyerɛ wɔn adwen na wɔfra wɔn line na 192 no ɔbɛkɔ akifiri wɔn kan na wɔtum no wadan no ho aba ndɛ ebi bisa wɔn de ana ye wa ahomatofo de ɔba ne de si data ebutum na afra na samete so eti na ejata ɔda mafra ka sɔfo anada ɔda mafra hona samafra ho no wia ana ɔbɛboa da ɔda minya abotar na fi mi teza wo tumruka anada mafra ra ijato na OMAR me du mu phone o send da ho mba be mi kyerɛ de ɔda wotum use nkita ho na fi etum no ekokwan za birim so kyerɛ de ɔdum jafo wɔne hia na wɔde kɔ ɔyɛ mbia horowa atoɛ nkyɛm na akɔ no ɔbɛkɔ ne nsu yim o na ɔde ekudu hɔ dɛmara na sabi ato waso open na chance ezebeni nyima adada waso anapeda awonugu mintinsi da ababa ne de ankraba ne sika woda to oyefangu egu hene nim no ababa ne woderboko abra nsunyim na so hinhina ende obecheche ma akere yen de ana wode hono hia rokwa ana nsuwom anade nsunyim aza wo friend oye bia wutu wan yensu na fi etum na aboa mo otum oju wezi hono djuma ana awo aye available anade otsiden ye hwe finfin mantom ni tira ye hyase wo ye gwa ha kisi oye presso etum jafo hono djumezi akwana a wo fora wotum wozi djuma otsiden orokanyim anade otum na ode help in tum zeba ye ka fire hydrant da ma hydrant no obi wo communities ahorom anade otum otsiden yenyim fire hydrant za otum woye community no ana yenyim kra nasema pi esisi adan wo oye hydrant ndo odum pempensa edum jafo wo pensu aboa mahunu dwumezi etum na ewie paya abohwe na bia wo kwakudum ja wo oye efuta awoda wutum ba pedu no ba fensu sanko anada otum otiren oboboa de efutu bi hydrant ho iba kakom de bi hydrant ho yiba esuecha hydrant babo abra hydrant ho ana mezimenyu ehu oye Ghana water works fo ebutu oye hydrant ho abra bawa wotokọ wen face biara aba na oboboa anada otum tire endase nzame biara botofom boboa ya babem wo ye odumja asoye ha misinisi OMAR bin ABDULLAH yere prede yenye kasamanfo nezetir wo ye odumja adwuma finfirmantom basha asa atwetwe nkomo akyekere nzama atum akyere dom the maso na open operation na nazema ho e ka safety a nazema ho na pinyero keke ho ntinde bomaza ka utanze bomaza boyo kan wo yo phone do na nzama pi wo yo odumja asoye ha boboa mesuazi metum na akwanyim ana yisua etebe ye adwuma anado tumotire yanko oye studio yanko motwetwe da obokodo panyin na oye kasamanfo ezekiri boboa mabibiara etum ewie pe ebefede makonje yesodo ni abo finfirmantom edumije adwuma opanyin na adan no mekira original commander baba na ba do soronko osai na abira yin botwetwe nkomo de ende oye Coastal TV Community Connect idreba cancer odumije adwuma asoyin G.N.F.S enoba tampa opiaze ne yeyenti ogitum boy dan nase wa makwan de hona boy yinda atenantwi nomboa na afientum nkwayim enti yankwa studio bi yenkeze nkomo pinjana ende ebobo man nasema hwaso etum na ati yankwa nkwohwe za wo etum na waka na embo ho komo.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. you call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Yo, that was in Canada, Bonitira, so chrono, and the Costa TV Community Connect, Ababa Cancer, or your Odum Jasoy, a yimping far, or Dum Jasoy, and what you or your uncle. Na boa, ma doma of Bretoberno, washer or your Costa TV when a day, Anna Odum Jejuma, or your Honasade, the Domi Piara, Wolfing Firmanto, Ganning Hinana, Obatasi, or Bashak when a pub to for that, where's the Hojumana, and say a buffer the Marco and the Beam. Na ya bo or ya original commander in pay for ya bohana bad papa. Mezzanisi OMAR bin ABDULLAH. Ya ko hene imza na no yaroko na yenye kasama fo a neze chir or ya odum jaso ye finfirmantum atwetwe komo no aboa hin sa eko oya PR na communication department za wotumo ya pa a obuto obaboa ma hodumezi etum na akwayim ni dan nti yoko oya DO1 mo biso DO3, sorry. Hey, in some security food down when some DO3 aya fifi dazi. Aha, e bini Jesus kanizo no. Aha, na wa baba nseme etum na achire. DO3, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Apom yaze.
Yamina adum ye sir.
Yamina adum. Odi kan so yebo oya huna bado onye commander. Da wotum no waji hinatum ma ende ya baba kansa wo oya huna ifia. Ozi kanano say PR department wo you dum jejuma abedwuma department wotumozi ne ho adwuma so yeden
Mr. Ma medase yaka PR department bonyi bakade public relations department no yenye institution the public no na yenye wonya inkitawuzi ya obi baby said institution the public si binyi moyin ya wa internal publics na ya wa external publics. Internal publics ni personnel na what region mu ni nyina no say instruction be fi madam woba rely on the public relations department that you best spread am personnel no na what in samanasi ya sanso yenye external publics no or bi media na yen stakeholders ni nya yenye one easy inkitawuzi inti Mr. Omar kada public relations department aza ya or inkitawuza yenye publics no institution ne publics no yenye wonzi.
Yes, and be said there, say, in your dom now wait me for in who's in Gitawa, Abenkitahu, now by the sonator, son, you can marketer, and Zamepi, what no behind is in Abenkitahupa, nay, doma wait me for in who's.
Mr. Bamada say, in Kitawuza yenye a domniz in there, or Sadayama, Nipania, what's Ghana National Fire Service, any Jumezi, Nasi, then may intro the fire service, Nipa Baby, now when you made Juma Patia. Area no fin there say yakwa out is and say bi so be there fire service abeduma na waya mo ba kan da Ghana National Fire Service jana yedum but yedum no so ye bibi kitikiti bi won eduma no ho a ye nti ye explain fire service and functions ye zama timemu fo no ma water say na baby a one task public so no aya na one akoma akosoro because when him the fire service warfare any bentem in zama onam do madam sam ni nya asisi no ye explain each one ye church one ma what's ye ni jumezi no so nase
Yansha in zama itumi church as my domino ye wele ye jitum ye hunu de domino woja asam no wojitum na odi yejuma another would say yara na for you
Mr. from my ye huneze am there in some no ya do na what's ye nase but all this be so ye ntumi and 40 baby yenya ebeja to me there say obi wa distress ma and obi wa huye ma 1 minute impo to me the nyimpan by 1 hour into no say offer fire service 1 minute na fire service in by mo ba kind your friend one that you know one bed because time our friend na ya bani ya azna da ho ya then or show into no still one task but Ghana National Fire Service or ye njumezi there ya ba educating ko for no so ma what ye na edwuma na ase.
So them notices are Yansha domino ye bidin pempen so bidin tasi bidin tasi. You were using there going forward in a babua abanide. What's a more from our school sahro? Kadam young, I would tomorrow can so offer bread to me Wutana Maraba. What's it when Zamanasana?
So mama that's yawo jumezi bia dem catch them young. Yeah, yawo adwumi there say yeah start some farmer now on no baka one team ma was in my water fire service in jumezi nasi into no fire service as an institution on yeah market na azankote na yako schools yako educate mo farmer most of fire safety no for so yako educate wo what Ghana National Fire Service ye ni jumezi nasi
say yansha adibia abanda oka oya kasa ho meye ayamba be me ken yarko scene insin yarko scene yenya kwan yarko scene won hieroko yarfo no nkokura abedin so abanedam
Mr. Man ninga kobande tutimaminin ofinde Ghana National Fire Service yacha Mr. Man menya infatu mu bi say e just 10 o'clock. That's a fire service 4 o'clock. And fire service 10 o'clock time I jana starting no. A fire 4 o'clock. In Brini be abandoned ebogum. Into the beyond your education, catch one day. Ijano or ya kit cran puna if in the able to make dumuna. Or so there Ghana National Fire Service my because the journey behavior ayana or sasa obutum wabro do they be an watching as an yakasin muma in our Ghana National Fire Service there yembrum. And again ya beja to me there a kwan so ya fire service from kotin ya no kwan o di se bia ya boba ben wo kwan do demand but drivers no one man kwan and so you use road regulations na bi nti to me anka the one man kwan nti no wasa there ya track no ya za pempem car da bi one man kwan e bo follow traffic in the mo bandam so a o ma ye chel e wo scene wo
yes sir ye hu ne there so o ma ye chel wo scene na wo sha so ho yeroko acha na jizire nsesa bi baba
Mr. Omar, insisa reba because fire service those days in Cape Coast are the impona ijesi wo baby or bears in the fire officers or because when you walk over motibiano ebia or bobro wana na obo tutu mba na obe using zama against the officers into no but this time around the yakwa one that people are calm into no in that will be there moving forward in zama basa
moving forward in zama basa that Yansha insu yim na wozinam the masam no so or no kwade insu yim hono kan mo so
Mr. Why the CCLA community connect to Ghana National Fire Service na obi nam na wakaka cha wo boss dem Mr. Man po community connect na obe of fire service all ban one fa mic all ba wafa camera as bia anyi wo offer journalism ho was ba Ghana National Fire Service was a community connect. I think they said to the masam na obey ma umora akofom kakra. So ma Ghana National Fire Service no water is our weapon. Insu na yedizi enjumezi kesena. Into ye be scene bia na car bia boba accident scene and a car bia boba fire scene bia there. That car is ready to work. Insu our car no in our standard operating procedures no. Say car no ye fit for purpose. Yen dispatch a car ne there umbra scene one on ejuma. Into for example, if you na metro car, say metro car ni ejuma and a metro car no pair be been to them at me for work there in soon you can ma yen the debia in su car no yen for one a session in your example there in soon metro car no ma. Fire service will never deploy metro car there on coincident scene because your regional headquarters or your mina or your UCC or on top and you be deploy car or your feet more be seen. But I had to me phone and see because Mr. Ma you be seen one or you be seen one ana you start in su you zugu jano do there you read me jan. You do why you seen assessment. It's a scene assessment one in soon fika no mumbe de you read me jan. The scene assessment was a day you in Zama or show. Mr. Ma, what brother Kakabanyum? How will you feel there be a Marco scene? Names in so good jado, Namambe Fabio. You feel bad. A biana ijana all down, electricity room. It was a day when the means a many and other stakeholders to communicate and sana say you do mijana, ye do mijana, or there you look out for cracks, say Ijaka building a bonda cracks album. It is in so good na dum na a dan bottom will go fire officer and penny no ya dama assessment ni na. And son say you use jana in Sunese Dumijana, you use in Sunese Dumijano, Mr. Omar.
Joe Damina asamnete offer to Berno, Oya or Dumijafu, or Baba and Semepinya, Utumuna with the Chre, Oya Doma, Wutana more no bois, ma ija etumna abefum. You can't do me judgma. What's would you mezoya, or Bawadamcote, Yanshe, they jankutin away in Woodma. And then they make you how to one.
Mr. Mohammed, that's them. Intro the fire service starts in 1963. It starts in 1963 with Act 219. On the nana yeshaduna yezi in the Juma, but population no course so now. Zama started the origin, no. And then who be here the Obe Review Act. Now I established Ghana National Fire Service for full. It's in 1997 was the Act for full by Act 537. Ghana National Fire Service is in Jumezi. Now Act 537 no, I mean objective be there as a service no, yenhwe achieve. Objective ne to prevent and manage undesired fires. Or ye bien prevention unko in a managing unko. So my own objective baby I know that we should extinguish fires. They are saying that we should manage undesired fires. It's no objective so business students or the objective here long term. Objective no so. It's na who be here the yebo bugum ne your goals. You be your functions, you be you able to achieve them objective. It is say you prevent fire. So even as no ye, also there create fire safety awareness. Also there fire safety education. Only thing who fire officers or you chrome commercial places, who school, who chapel, who mosque there, or church fire safety education. Was that church me mofono? Most more better or better so there. The mazia me o mifi. Sama yen ye obutu was the jashishona or zaiden was aba. Only a prevention. And how do we manage undesired fires? So, we give advice on fire extinguishers. So, before you use fire, about fire extinguishers, alcohol, woofy, and all property in Biano. And can we be here about Ghana National Fire Service? My more advice on it because fire extinguishers be brave our market now. Or yeah, extinguisher be also now. What it do me, JBR? We will advise you on that. Mr. Omar, we also provide technical advice on machinery, building, etc. Into your municipal assembly. Committee now want my permit no you see a fire officer there will be review plans now there will be no plan no azababa no there's no escape route and escape na exit in nya one exit na entry in nya one e be abunsa na ocho de 3 na entry na exit in nya one and hu ntwe inter one we raise issues or there was there what na was it be so was account Mr. Ma we also provide humanitarian services. Them humanitarian services na ya na nkofo within the Ghana National Fire Service, I used to can or check the cotton in su. So, fire service to prevent and manage undesired fires in the long term, we are trying to save lives and properties. It's for instance, hospital kesa or Cape Coast in Sunua, Yim there, I refuse walk hospital or Quajaya, in Sunu will go to Wakona Wayaramo. It's no so fall on fire service, the fire service and facility in Sunya. It's a ben here, so we will give it to them. It is our it is in the act or a humanitarian service. We will go and then there's Bokwa common schools in here, so yes, Bokwana, yes, aqua common. So, man, these are some of the functions fire service.
Right, we will be a shame, but there was a day to me, Arishain, Akokari Junior. Also, Arishain, na Ejmapai to me, young Kohinaim. Name what you there and the Yabakansa or regional fire service. I saw that's all the day. Go under Onyima or the Belchum, but in the Costa TV community connecting. I'm aware who you made the PR fire service to Muye. Name should I hold to Montaco Curry Junior. A better was Papa. So cheer or no community for ya. We also put now send a message. Abra etum na elshe na bomado chane so sede. Sa wonsa kan woso etum a share ma dom so etum na ahwe zo otum no arokodo. Nti ye ko hene ma onche bia be himo so de we are trying with the help of the deputy PRO no. Osi oye department biara imamado he woncho nkomo. Na ewia ye bokọ oye wosu kebi. Na efi etum ya kwa akohwe doma AFIBA to be no word man because e ko police phone wa wo oye bia wo ho do ho na wotumoko ana iwo bi wa ha ana do tumotre nta anu no anu ye afterward no chera wo su kebi no ye bakwa akohwe aye no so na mom ennaze CCRZ ye rehwe oil department aho biara wo oye ha ho dwumeza wotum no ozi na mboa so otum no woze ebua nti PR tum na abua amahe wo se ye oye public relations and accident dana autumnal arboa mabem autumnal kodo the mass operations control fire police safety ni na e baka ho asam na afi atumna aboa ma bibia so atumne awie pay ante bia da mezin kakari e mama hene modo na enyi oya PR chirun command because I think that place is also oka oya no ho nti e bakwa akohwe oya yefra say yefra nzama autumnal kodo nti nzama na akodon abam komo na obutum na busy nti nde yekọ oye a little typical practicals na PR tum na aboa him because na ya hwede ana call about oye adwuma nti hina administrator bafre oye lie no na fe yetum ehun there the regional headquarters no oba pick line for how many times because he will fear what say afra kwa bia anje hin do fanti na oraka so mafra bia nkasa hin ho ana oye no kware na efie yetum na yetu hine sebo na ansa na yebokọ no ye bisa oye PR there plan course ora hawa adwen ohunu dwumezim ana there plan course bia amba
misoba plan course obopa na ohawa adwen so bebre misoba ya ne hihye mu no district bia o fire station ekwer ewo ho na in central region mo ya district ni nya na ye fire stations ibi wo ho a ibi nyo nti yamfa na district like Efutu oye Winneba the whole of Winneba ye hwe Winneba kesimo atia fire station ekopia no na say efrede baby wish na wo to appliance na so cheda at that very moment no Winneba appliance na to na appliance bia anyi Winneba bio the next available appliance na apam ana aswedro nti aprankie ya ye okwe say ija papa bi so ba ochade ye frɛ apam ana aswedro mo wa but look at the distance e bia ye bodu wana as I said or say no wa say ewie ba say ka Winneba e wo ho na onye plan course na nka efen na nka ye botum na ye du ho intem na so ma plan course no so o ma ye say resources because ye kwa no ye kwanya edwuma bia wo ho ya say fuel ya say human resource ya say energy na azina ezaba nti plan course no so ma ohoyen edwuma no so pa
plan course no or the help in yana otumazaba na amboa medwumezi no so ontum na onwie pɛ nti ye nhyehyɛ ya AFIBA to be yana yetime mfo no ya ma mazana fi yentum na ya nhya no so nti administrator bobo he na call no ya akaye na answer no ibisa PR there 9192 no still now are you using it na wo another life so afra ebuto abedo dem life okwa ha another okwa
so mama that say 192 no we are still using it and I use 112 so
okay
in the station bia so the number a ye use. Na efre 192 na 192 no mba direct to the station. 192 no call fire master control or Accra. And for instance, more Elmina. Na ma afre 192 na 192 no on back Cape Coast Regional Headquarters or local Accra Street. Into Accra na will be relay. Was a corner Subama Cape Coast. Into find there after 192. Accra when you regional do be 2 minutes. Waji would do to and 1 minute. Waji would do to regional headquarters. Into the Elmina BB Dam AC. Into Accra be relay ama regional headquarters. Na regional headquarters also yes ama Elmina and Sana Elmina wako. Until they be no say yeah educational. Yakade say 192 na 112 na obwa. But we so the ebenya what district na one fire station na one so the number na ezaka almost mo be ya BBC what district ni ma ebe friend na wa entem na waba.
So nti ekwa akohwe na ya the exercise. Ye hwe ye gwe mensim ha you will do me jejuma when office wo ya kotokraba na ebinum ho da ma so na oye Metropolitan Assembly nka na wo fa no municipal no so oye efie ni bi so tumiso nti yen kwhwe oye Metropolitan hono number of ibiro to be no e ba mo na fi to use number ni ye 0556 790 109 0556 790 109 and ofra boko kotokraba another boko Metro Assembly yako UCC 020 538 8648 020 538 8648 Damasuna Pedu headquarters in the Ahana Yaway Pedu headquarters Finfrimantum or Dum Jejuma when I saw ye 020 538 8644 020 538 8644 Into Yeroko oh yeah one yeah call receive forward and
Control
room na administrator into actually what's going da MC important corporation of papa we are mama ho lunch why ati actually what's going da oh yeah Cape Coast Metro oh yeah 055 679 010 oh sorry 019 into 109 sorry 109 nti show screen do na bibiara wodo nti yebokọ na within a short distance ya ma oye AFIBA the administrator wotum na wa afre na ye hwe the administrator she will act ye so we say efra wo sigina do ahemfa na ija etum na ato ahemfa na wa haw ni na etum na achechirim nti awode gina do ni ya aboto bi se nsam ni hiara nti yebaya dama practicals na efe etum na ya hwe nti ye dan ho sima ba bi ye baba back no na ye oya control room na ye put call no na ye ba conclude in the pre what is going on ma bibi also etum na ewe pe nti oya PR e bakwa akwatu no oya control room nti bamazinara na efe tum na bua ma bibi also ontum na onwe pe nti yaroko oya control room na yaka put oya call
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Ghana Fire Service on Krubata of Informando Equities and the Costa Management. Was ever frank one castle or in a quarter of one castle on the other. Now, Frau, one castle. You never know. Eco community, Nazama Homuka. Ababa Atanibia Midney what no wajina and our phone do the biara na yetumni aye busy yamina dom yenye kasama tiri waha ahwe dwumeza autumn no orokodo nti yere hwede wo fra wo fa na nti because of dom butum wo hu za autumn orokodo nti pia yere bisa de doma wotum wo han nyina no so aban de course adoso at a time 10 can they receive all the 10 course at a time and then they be free ebotu ntwando ansa na tumama and they baby a ye hwede za wa friend ni genum yazin and then num yazin nti hin na ebidin kan yetumi ab
Mr. Wamada say them edo hayo da watch no your phones baby wa hade ba phones no go ni nya onye ni nya no ye service phone e be a service phone e be so your personal phones the service were lines too ye wo gota line in a your normal line aya nkofo wonyim no it's normal line enye ma 0205388644 na aya your friend na your friend am na say wo call no da obaka cho the wit then share course na sana ya dispatch appliance as and when a call babano the first call of babano na ya dispatch appliance and sana ya call the next call so no so baba
nti open ma itumi bano oh ini zimu ya dinesi nti ya constantly itumi jebi and then as time when na call na baba na itumi tuwa no
Mr. Mama that's a fire on today I share hospital bia ya hospital bakado awuti pay easy on ye 60 wa afia na efum ye yonti yenhwe 60 na sana ya ahwa fire no as when na fire pen na no na dispatch appliance yen je course ni ngo ansana ya dispatch no 11 dispatch call na be na ya dispatch
ije to me fi na me fra okudum na owoda mutuaka another
Mr. Ma ije to wufie na say ye ba na ye bodum na insunala ye za abodum wala etuaka odada ehwe water bill receipt no da ye 1% fire charge wodo nti etuaka odada yemba na yemba mba juice ka na of course nipa ho edwuma na yare ye no ebia na personal bi aba na say wa charge woda ebotum na ababa ye report na ye is internal edwuma mo ina no yetum na ye is a rebook them personal na oya damazo no
so fra wofa another to me nti MCR one boy here na yehwe dey oba for calling another to me not them nti yehwe za obutum na obakodo ama ofi we yet me for work community no akwana ofoda wotum fra oya odu judgment nzama to
from Ifwa. Bachai. What are you? Pierre, you share them process your automobile. The man of automoyen, and they were answer with them.
Mr. See are there. It's an always receive you call you but dispatch up. I can change them now. Or yes, the test as it. As I hear your hand in all your assistant.
Me there. Domina crowd of Butum Noboko. No by any day. As I wrote to no
corner bar or Belbia now operational men or sir. Well, your fellow crew room operational men will be sent. Now I quack on my appliance in the tackle. And wonder what's I know about Bell no.
Nti sa no munyenze butumunada munyenze butumunada aha eye kire na wezino nti wa ban yan kwa akoko za obutum nti yan kohwe abo anu za otum aha ni na aka o man ko let's go aha nti ni aka oyansi se ho a ofibutum na efe otum na obua nti yanhwe de Pierre so abanda wore bei na cha wo baba ja abati me hu de madam ozi oya aba iyi kire den
oba baba aba to the main obeche one location a fire no was at the walk off
nti abanda location wotum za mehini etumachi back another year.
In your station, the station so what to contact as a call and far and I describe as prank call and never catch the station.
Coming back no calling out to the man number I should be able to the train another catching occupation on number.
They are reporting my police, the police.
But some never catch it me before they be a
and Aquina there, Yanchi, Jumeza easy as a service. To me, Magana Fire Service, yeah, you know. Yamba ijuma yambo to da mokote yamba ijuma dem ma bia waka there in what to me tonight juma na e ba justify the eco control woman bia bi if is a great juma it's a bibia to ufia me fe the bibia because I by ma oze on here response from Ghana National Fire Service. Into no fire service, we are there to serve them. Into say, yeah, that's a big business now. The man may train in Branish, saying sim, then yeah, say.
Into Oban, the man I'm ready to me, you tea. So, yeah, number for fire service far. No, I had the for order make a count another automatic.
Nina, our baby, so into time. Offer no obi sende abas na wesi na nyipa nka de oyija wesi wo modek nti so ya accident nso a obaka chen na yeza abaye muka si osi wo ya ma yenwe tue ya red flags na yen ba na ise na enyim no onye fire fighting car no nti so ya fire da maka no na ya baba because onu na yusu wo dafi osi we onye rescue nti so ya accident da ma dafi na yeza baba accident scene no
nti yehwa osisi me na ye movable one na ma ho no so automatic
Mr. Ma ya da say ma owo yen echi wo no mechanics na ye edwuma ewo ho o che de appliance na ye fit for purpose nti ye bahwa station is in mpona oguhun or UCC appliance
okay
that my debia ya kan nti say BBC wo UCC because UCC appliance in ye edwuma ni nti no ye ba dispatch elmina na wa akwa it's no it be a fit for purpose it be so mechanics na ye adwuma won wan sana wetum wa about route.
What about the water issue? Why say you on say you water is available or not?
Yes, Mr. Omar, it's able to na ya test use appliance ye osi we ya on ye say insu wom ana insu nim.
Enti ye guda ye odum je adwuma fo twetwe nkomo. Ye le hwede wosi hian no mpon so na wa say ana ne ho atwechema kakra insu wom. Enti ye le hwede ana oye no kwar den suwom ana den suyim enti ya ye dwumeza ye timifo oda ye tumi ne yesua ne ye tumi hu za otum na rekodo amba ne de nase mebinim wa ya hona adwen de odum jafo wo ba no ba betudwuma wo yinsu na wa ba oye sin ho enti wo yinsu ba be sin ho a na no oye no kwar ana da otum na otiden enti yan hwede appliance ni na ye won suwom ansana ahenen etumi na etu ana da otum na otiden enti wambo na afi ye tumi ye hu de ana aya odum ejuma no wo peza wotum wosi aye nsu no wotum ejuma na so wo chense ma wo betu wo hianen na aye nsu biara yim na wo da ko ye sin ho whether it's true ana da oye true nti ya wo da nsu wo de juma nsu otum no orogu e chere yetimemfo nsama aye ka odum ejuma fun oya no kwa ontum bande ankraban ato oye fuel egu hianen na baba no butu oye ehene no da akwa abira oye nsuyim nti eche anamura wotum na wotum abane ye fi ha ya akwa oye futu na ye kudumja aha bi etum abehinu so hinso etum asa aba kwa ne butu ya afre yin su fufur ansa na etum ya aba oye sin ni biem
nti ya da say one on am e bi ana another appliance pack ye jay na sanso ye kofeel na ye sanso dem ma mesa asem da ijane behavior no wo mot bi wo wagya wo a ketekete yakwa ye beka da o yan ka ye botum ye dum but ye dum na ejane so ye den awe ye kase nti sada me na oba na say minsu na wo appliance no musa ye be fish out for the next available hydrant or nka ma ka osado ye den ka ye du wana kasa no ko de ye nya hydrant na ye ship ye more the most be able to me fight fire na insu no ye den on sa ba baby ye we on ya dam na oti as compared to elsewhere. Into other agent na yakwa available hydrants na fill the tank na yaba na sanso yaba bodum nsu.
Always see him hydrant to draw our community urban here, urban imprempre a hobby to Mabana.
Yeah, operational be anyim penyin na odan no nyim into nyim da hade ni grant wa ha say nsu na Mabana mababa.
Once we do bigum, na baby and we will do be and we know they will do as well to do. Okay.
It depends on the type of fire na you're fighting.
Okay.
Fire be a friend class B fires.
Okay.
Class B fires in a flammable liquid. So the petrol, diesel, tapping tiners. Always in sunu good da na untum. Back June 10, 2015. For cycle.
Yeah.
In the so still not ijano then undum. No fire until class B fire na yezu dumade yenyaza na honzen owo foam sin insu nimu ya sin insu onti obi bia ya friend foam concentrate it is or fuel fire or petrol na diesel ya ya connect foam concentrate na ka ho a su na obaba as ehuri aye huraza oba no nti ono sa otena ijano da oxygen bia anko ijanu mu na ijana kasa edum nti no on ye fire bia na ya ze foam concentrate no ye ze use
Mejizire esiaze papa osane de aha na ye kasama fu na ze kira odo dano eni besi ye fi ha ye sane akoyo studio na onua ba AFIBA abamazan yin oye operations etum na atwon komo na ye hune de obro tubiro no odum je adwuma wozi hunu adwuma na emom timimfa ya hina adwen de asobrachew otum na kwa adwen nkankan ahina ya hina adwen de odum jafo ba wala wa acher nti ebeji kutuku na debi mu hwe oye video bi a odum je yin mo gba na abado osana entum nkan chen bi de ne body nti ekogba na min na so ye no ho de yi nkyere de ya ba ho de ba baku na meye mewuso umfa anko adoa na agba no aba futu na de mansima ba bi na afia amehenu mudo
so ma futu a yes ba mo na the best way to fight fire is by prevention. On Saturday, you may join the band and for fire service for the young brand in Budum. On Saturday, and church and fire service was a man. On the north Saturday, yes, and I used to do most mobile just some beer on Coba, our baby. Yeah, one. Nessa, yes, who ye dinner, Nessa, Ijano Soba. On Saturday, yeah, quick enough to contact Ghana National Fire Service. Your best said over for numbers now was a 2 screen doing most mobile over friend and Tom Naya Ben. Tamame and Trena Jenny Jinsim. Asana wa friend ijana ya kakaba na no ina osade wa friend na yaba na budum no more so my beje we feel say the regional commander in fact our regional commander na nko no so onye pinyin ina onye ne yedwuma also tik eyi from pinyin na asana wa nti be the chief fire officer the one made them akwenye there yan cheche timimufu inzama yeye as a service
jo aha na yin kasama afu na ze chiri bisi Nemom jumazinu za inwe umbo do ebien ampa honu nuanom a yemfi ha nemom ahaso nya ndankote na yerba ha afibro tubere bobo mazene dumijafo inwe to anamar osana nde dumijafo nkote ho asam nkote na yetum yeka ama aboa yetimemi nemom hyane so de na mesna ogo oye kesemfenye no do no bo mazana save I save so save ni yi mean save na I love you ama to yanchama ba wo ba no fo na wotum na wotum afre yemma odum je adwuma hono na ma ohian waya hine phone do ama atoyente bi ba bi fa phone na wonya password no wegbo ya oh ebogbaran Ghana Fire Service so am phone mo na mo bo oye fire mpo a fire obaban na mesa obaban odoso enya ye krampo commanders nkoko 6 a me ho aye adwuma wo ya so ye ha obia no madam ha ho mo akwasa mazo stay na no many day mentum delete because ohiam de odo to mo phone do OMAR bin ABDULLAH manesi nemo yenko studio na yin AFIBA no ntua oyanko manodo
National Petroleum Authority say Mawo bambo hu yaukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Coastal TV do. Ever bet you how being a Coastal TV of ye. It used to flash screen TV. It used to decode Nihina over. A corner ever for that, you being a Coastal way in the fear in there. About a extra TV now. No, there are two menu. First of all, about what antenna no was first. I do to why Coastal a Cape Coast na non quaddy. Yana antina nenim no odo hwe Takrady Road anaso commander anaso de kisi obiala onim commander anaso kisi no owo na ode ndupol no nenim hwe ansa na yebeyen TV no do a TV no yeboko menu se enye obi a epa afeto anu ma kiro de photo auto tuning na press okay na kasa be tune na bunde o scan wiepe bunde enye Coastal TV. Enya no so ayinim TV mu kakra no yeboko BBT there DTV yeboko menu na yakọ DTV yakọ DTV a yebuhu VHF 1 enya no na yehwehwe Coastal TV 514 ni frequency no oye 514 enti ne yeboko akọhwehwe 514. Aha ye wie ne dam no obi won de na ase no signal no baba into obada map na press okay me dey wa start dollar scan ma kasa na me ye fi so ehun de o scan pe no anu no within under 5 minutes mpo na yen Coastal TV na enjoy we station usiafo kakra me de bro ni me da mo ase.
Edika inabeka miaro endo miaro ejumeyidia inabeye miaro endo miaro obreyitibo inabebo miaro endo miaro Asemi besini kwemba miara Asemi miara Asemi besini kwemba miara Asemi besini kwemba miara Obrai besini kwemba miara Endo miara Asemi besini kwemba miara Asemi miara Sina besini kwemba Inabebo Obrai besini kwemba miara Endo miara
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafa ngo no ena afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe Emomo no aya fredum je dwumayefo ana posifoɔ no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esen sa fango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Coastal TV Community Connect na Uguswa Ushei. Yedi kan show say ye wo Pedu fire service for Akachi. Eha ene yedi ye tent no ebebo ye na ye no mu edi ijuma. OMAR bin ABDULLAH yeda say for introduction na wedding kan aye amaye no. Na ye betwa swinti no na mene mpanyimfo mienu bi wo fia say aye ba bebo enkomo. Omo no omo wo operations department. Say Oba Fire Service has said almost all departments bebre yedin kind public relations akasa nti any operations departments and so eba bedi enkomo almost say operations most of the time me akola na me say operations and say surgery omo ye obi surgery ya obi operations such as omo ye ni surgery but say fire service for so omo operations there and na me sure say any surgery nti o say enko omo nchen na yembi say omo Jumadi pote pa omo departments no omudi. And no me wo DO3 Derry Vitus ono acting regional operations officer. And misanso ewo ADO1 Isaac Ofori Ata ono deputy regional operations officer. Paying for me ni and me no omo eba bedi enkomo mpacho me mama akwaba Coastal TV suni. You say Anna. Na bi o miss me ho. Mommy show mic in the mouth. Mommy show mic in the mouth. All right, Maso.
All right, yeah, now.
You.
So far as all your bank on the.
Okay, Martin. Okay, and so no, Derry, Mr. Derry. I'm now Mr. Vitus.
Mr. Derry.
Okay, Mr. Derry.
My profession, U3 Derry.
Okay. Okay, and see, yeah, focusing on the operations department at the fire service headquarters, Pedu. But you can't say any surgery na moye.
When we talk about operation in fire service, basically we are talking about firefighting.
Okay.
And other activities that we carry out. Mostly after the education, the safety measures we put in place. When things go beyond that and there's any emergency, we are being called upon as the operational department to go and bring the condition and the situation under control. So basically, operation department is about firefighting, rescue, evacuation, and all. And at the regional headquarters, we control and supervise the various districts under our command within the central region.
You said when things get out of hands.
Yes, please.
So some way damage controller now.
Please, mostly for fire service, our wish is to prevent the fire from occurring.
Okay.
But when it occurs like that, we have the operation department is being called upon to come and bring the situation under control. So basically, operation department is to bring things under control, every situation within our jurisdiction.
Inti mo department na yana mo de fire tenders ne enam kom na.
Mostly no one say a same sina the fire service is the operational department that goes to the scene to fight the fire or to do the rescue.
Okay, Mr. Ofori. Yeah, Mr. Derry say mo ye damage control, but anka prevention na mo ye nemum say BBC a mo de mo pese besi but say si a mo be kwa kodum no. E dey na wo de be ka ho.
I'm saying no can in a crepes operations na Bibia origin yena coordinate. Okay, just as he has already mentioned, say car kuishia Okay, can I'm kunya kunshia. Yeah, the first point of call. Yeah, the first respondent. We know we free first. Say it to be fear. Yeah, the microphone be free first because yeah, any one akadie.
Okay.
Aye, the be. What must say? Ubi koto bulemukra. Yeah, and we have been trained to exercise that duty. Inti yeah, ni say ni be ya ibi you be a wato bulum. Okay, say who say rainy season. Okay, inti rainy season we issue for agrophobic breed. Good. It is a issue for now for Ghana National Fire Service. Yeah, well, the expert. Aye, beba. Na ibi isa agrophobic free sa situation mo. And I say a dance bugu will be so. Then there's a building collapse too. That one too. We are there to rescue those victims to a safer place.
Yeah. I say a baby normally no for associate fire service because most say Ghana National Fire Service.
Okay.
It's the name of your and related to fire.
It is Ghana National Fire Service. You media edino.
Okay.
It's we are even grateful say matria benye. Na ye church mu nyomo bia ye public na ye in him. Ebi na me chemu. What must be because people na him say Ijapa di edum. Yete pay na you say microphone no mo ye de kudu ja. Enye Jape. Okay, just I've already said. Say ubika enya akunshia ye na obe free so bi koto bulemu a ye na obe free say nso di obi kwa ye na obe free. Okay, say ebe ubi na nkra na kwahye gate mu kra meta gate na ne nan ka ye ena e wotu say between ya de edi twitwa what mazi nti djuma na yidi no edoso no, it's you beside I mean.
But me da say ne nchema odi amaye. San say empempi no ye mo yete fire service a eja ne ye de associate nse enye eja de a ye hu ni say o say ye mfrɛ mo. Mr. Derry, ma membra ho. Say na wosi kan no mo ye prevention. Nsi mo mujumadi ni na sa anka mo be prevent fire but say esidia ene mo ana mbe san so akwa kodum no ena Mr. Oforin so echeche mu na cha mo ye niam bia enye related to fire, so it all boils down to creating awareness. Na most of the times I mean we say be a fire service for a year awareness creation bi no be say fire extinguishers na ade we no ne practicals na ade a omo ye mostly no omo busy on fire. Into more awareness creation or more the other aspects that does not relate to fire no more the can one.
Mostly when we get opportunity like this, we try to make the public aware of other activities that we carry out apart from the firefighting. As my colleague earlier mentioned, we do the rescue, we do the evacuation, we do the prevention. Okay. But mostly by the namesake, most people know that it's only firefighting, which is not so. But we are always looking for the opportunity for us to educate the public on what we do. Okay, so as a service, mostly people are not ready to learn. But when the opportunity is given to us, we try to educate them to know that it's not only firefighting we do. We do firefighting, rescue, evacuation, safety education. That's for the safety department. They go around to public places, do education. We also do what we call the risk assessment. Most institutions are there. We go there to do the risk assessment to know the potential risks that are within their facilities. For example, hospitals, banks, the more public places, we do those kind of risk assessment for the institutions. And for you to know that mostly for development to take place, there's a need for fire service. Most companies come to a town or a community when there's a fire service because of the safety of the facility. If there's no fire service, they can't be developing the place. And for insurance to take place, let me just add this one. Mostly, if there's any premises that you need to insure, you need to get a fire cover. Without a fire cover, you can't get insured. And when there's insurance cover for the premises, if there's any fire break, you need to get a fire report from the fire service department before you can get a claim from the insurance company. So this is an opportunity for us to educate the public in what we do as a service.
Okay. Because I work as a insurance, because I work as a insurance, what about vehicle insurance?
Vehicle insurance, yes. Every insurance have its own policy. If it's against fire, okay. Mostly when we have a vehicular fire, we have kind of insurance you insure your cars against. If you insure your car against accident, that one doesn't concern fire. But if you insure your cars against fire, when it happens, we now determine what caused the fire. that will help you claim your benefit from the insurance company.
But before somebody can get a license, I was on a insurance with a fire now.
Mostly, you are supposed to have an extinguisher, a serviceable extinguisher in your car.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a mandatory requirement.
The thing is, me focus baby, I'm who extinguisher.
Once a Ghana say, sometimes some brand new but Ebiana ya boafa so ensure in this baby. I just say a same answer. Now on say you are supposed to have this thing in place. It's a bigger challenge that we are facing.
What taking any steps to address it now?
Oh, in some part of the country, we try to do the checkpoint of extinguishers.
Okay.
We mount the checkpoint with the police service. When you come, the police will be checking for your permit and your roadworthy, whilst we also check for the extinguishers in the car. We do carry out that kind of activities from time to time.
Okay. And it will be effective now over the years?
Oh, it's working because we tried one in Swedru. It worked. We tried one in Winneba. It's working. And with time, we'll implement one in Cape Coast here.
Okay. We don't have one in Cape Coast yet?
No, it's we that are supposed to get in touch with the police service, give them our program line up. This is what we want to do.
Okay.
We need the support of the police service. They create a barrier for us. We'll be checking.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Separate barrier for fire service?
Yes, we check.
Okay. All right, Mate. Mr. Ofori.
Yes, madam.
Say, me driver ni wa na me nam kwan so na fire service fire extinguisher ni me kam a mo che me immediately then am mo de be me.
Oh, say Yechiwa will advise you to get one.
Just an advice.
Say just an advice. Of course, we need to advise you. Because the advice will be even more important than the punishment that we're going to give to you, right? Okay, in TFNC, you charge you skype 200 whatever amount, right? You may repeat same mistake, but then we need to educate you. Okay, the need for you to get an extinguisher in your car. Okay, in terms of any vehicular fire, then we'll show you how to use the extinguisher to douse that fire, right? So if we don't do that, it may go against you in the long run. Do you understand? That is why in most cases we advise drivers to get fire extinguisher in their cars, not only in their cars, but in our various domestic homes as well. Do you get it? Yeah.
Indeed, with such a driver, would there be a process maybe I met me at show me and me Ghana card and any details to start the process of acquiring an extinguisher there before say be a mefio, because say na can we jay no man kwa and one no and show kwa who ni bim into no is there any way I bet me starting process no even to an extent bet me kwa register ni kwa mananya fire service extinguisher at that checkpoint. Is it possible?
So why not? Everything is possible. Okay, okay. Possible, Ghana, because one. You see, every fire station, there is a safety department there.
Yeah.
Once you walk to the safety department, okay, they will give you the right extinguisher that you need to use in your car.
Okay.
Mind you cannot use any extinguisher at all in your car.
Yeah.
Okay. So they will teach you the right extinguisher that you need to use in your car. They will give you every education that you also need in order to use the extinguisher. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So to arrest you, you know, the police has the mandate to arrest. We also have the mandate to arrest. Okay. But if it relates to you not using the fire extinguisher, just like I said, we advise you.
So you call operations department now. And never been like tools and equipment ben
well, yeah, operation department now is very broad. Okay. Say RTA, road traffic accidents.
Road traffic accidents.
That's RTA. Okay. We have rescue equipment. Okay, so those rescue equipment, we have the cutters in, spreaders, we have long spine board.
Okay.
Okay, we have wedges. Okay, there are other tools. Okay, that's if we come and your car is crashed, maybe there's a head-on collision. We have every tool that we use to create space or use to cut the A poles or the B poles. Okay, so that the victim will be safe. Then we'll evacuate you to a safer place. Okay. Then when it comes to firefighting, that one too, there are appliances that we use to fight the fire. We have the PS, that other vehicles that contains enough water. Okay. So So those cars that have water carrier at the back too, they have something, another space that hold what do you call foam concentrate. Okay, you don't have foam concentrate and we have water as well in our appliances.
Yeah.
Aha. And I say if somebody too is being carried away by water or maybe drowned to that one, we have other rescue equipment just like the life jackets. Okay, we have throw lines. Okay, that other equipment that we can, our expert, okay, can swim into wherever you are, they will rescue you using those equipment. Do you get it? Aha. So human DNA in Edosu, and every 2 BI in this region.
Okay. But that's the plan I'm sharing. For operations department, Pedu Fire Service headquarters, and you know more train and common. Okay.
As an acting operation officer, I would like to advise or educate the public against mob attack. Mostly, it's not our wish to come to a fire scene late. We are human. We have feelings. When there's a situation, for example, last month there was a mob attack at ABDULLAH Market. Mostly, sometimes our cars are down, and when, for example, a car in Cape Coast Pedu is down, we call the nearest fire station to attend the scene. And when we come, you attack us. What are you trying to tell us? And say I shut down it now, sir. Just baby na and fire musa. Once a call control room. When they rang the bell for emergency, so the men were rushing down to take the tender to fight the fire. It's our wish to always get to a scene on time to prevent any damage. We all have feelings, we have emotions. Your corner identities and a higher power. And now, mostly in your corner, after firefighting, we try to do education. Tell the public what to do next time to prevent the fire from escalating. But yeah, your bar now attempted the munti the campo, you try to educate that. And mostly sometimes they tell us, they call the number. If you ask the person, what number did you call? No, you don't know. 195, 197, they try to mention numbers that do not even exist. So mostly, we always pray against it happening. But when it happens to you, and we come and we are trying to educate, please give us a listening ear. Listen to what we are telling you. Take our number, put it in your head, save it somewhere. That will help you save the next emergency that may happen. Mostly, people do not save numbers on their phone. So when it happens, someone, for example, our friends who call me, oh, Derry, there's fire outbreak this place. If there's a fire outbreak, what do I do? Maybe the time you are calling me, I'm far asleep. You say, oh, you're operational officer. Sir, I'm far. The operations officer, I'm far. How? Because my number is not an office number, but the office number is working 24/7. So when you call the office number 24/7, there's someone available to pick your call and attend to you. So we advise and encourage the public to take notice of this and save our numbers on their phones and be able to call us when there's an emergency. And please again, I beg the public to stay away from mob attack. When it happens that way, when you call us the next time, we are critical whether to attend the scene or not, because we're also having family that think about us. So please, this is a humble advice to the public against mob attack. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Mr. Derry Vitus. And our day advice, a footstool, Emma Obia, Ghana for you now. In fact, more fire service for no beju or no beyo mejumana adane boxing bonnie adieno. Muncham huyi pa, muncham huyi. Inti anoni advice Mr. Derry or Eddie Emamo. Na somebody can operations department and I know mo Eddie Juma has say. Mr. Derry, sir. Me pese me be adwuma o operations department a e dey na dey na mo be hwa ansa na mafa me o.
Well, you need to go through the normal body selection, the recruitment process, go to training. And when you come back from training, then we look at your fatigue, your physical appearance, then your IQ level before we put you in the operational department.
Okay, physical appearance.
Yeah, it should be.
What exactly are you looking for?
It should be strong enough.
Remember Mr. OMAR Kobia?
Yes, he should be strong enough because we can stand on our feet for 3 hours, 4 hours.
Oh, okay.
So if you are not strong enough, within the firefighting rescue, what can I say? What breasts are there? Then never. obe gonna say jano ebeshi. So most of the men we have in the operational department are physically fit and strong. Mostly, about 99% are physically fit and strong in the operational department.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And so, baby, Adri, send na maybe some Mr. For you know say more tools and equipment be ewa hase no. Me pese share some of the things our mu use wa hase na yehu ni omudi edwuma ha nkasa. And so no yanko for break akra. Yeba yebeto aso.
Munso remember that as Ghanaians, we are all involved in building a better Ghana. Yenina ye kaho ena o my Ghana ebe ko nanim. We are from there na yenso ya from there na o my no akona nim. Tebio. Arise Ghana youth for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold her and make her great and strong. Tibio, arise Ghana youth for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold her and make her great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved.
omodi ye ejuma no wa ha sei say ye towing say ye dum jazz ya de omo equipment e wa ha sei no maybe ejina omo ma say say ye rescue van we no ye rescue van nti on be cheche me ne omo ha nti we no emfa nsuo nse obe ka say we no nsuo nim na wo bo na patomra sanity Mr. Ofori.
Yes.
But you take me through. Then I has say.
Hello. Okay. And the M say Yankomo Chuchimuno, some of the vehicles I and appliances I Emma make her say you were rescue van. As the rescue van solely for extrications, and I say car be in ya quinshia. In this car be in ya quinshia, sa eshen we and the deba. The social locates no be bree and ewum. MC we need to put what must say? Aha, and to say this power unit to be okay. 2 cars akopim. Okay, Emma ubishima nipa no gene ho enje. You get it? Now it's say ye chicha. And there are cables here. Okay, if your cameraman can come and be connected to exactly. If we are made me work a okay, with the tools ye the bed, ye the besha. Say a bunny says ye the creative space, and they say the bee quine. Okay, be a 9 aqua baby, say the bee, Senebea or Ubenya enough space. Sa to know, and a beer says see cha, nature na unya quine sooner, and as ye quine pijawa, that too is there. Okay, and a beer fancy cano edani roof. Okay. Na enye stable edaya na enye stable side and so your wedges wa ye de be share side and side
and no ye dey
ebini what am I say
okay
for stability you get it sine be ya e share ni be stable because e share na enye stable na bia obi ko gina one side one hwa na uti akopim bibi na ene so e dey atoye try that aba enti first na see ehwe say e share na ye stable na ya ye wo mu na e be ejuma e share na enko left and I say ember right what am I say enti obisa ya entremu e wo mu ni na say ye hwa say ugina na hwa side obi hu say there is a extinguisher so inti emphasudi or fire extinguishers okay say e na be a car na pim na at initial stage na ezi edum the sergeant who say we enhance you there is a extinguisher inti entempa na need the extinguisher na iden egusu ye call that side obe hu spinal board ewum and you dey share with and I see page the better say na be ya uti ankle left and I say ankle right now I stable you get it and so it too need the bebre we show we are there is called what delivering hose okay and so is you then FM e wo juma e didi there is called cones yes okay. Cones okay it is CC kwan mu Emma and if an income vehicle eba e hu say bia akwensidi bi esi wo kwan no so it is so hidden otunebo and I say be a say ye mfa ha isan say ye di juma di sorunko bi e wa ha otimase very good
nua we nso ye de
nyina account
and no say wedges ni dia na
nyina account for stability nyina di juma di otimase enti lock bia ni ne ayeden ewum lock bia ni ne ayeden ewum tools na bisu
emodu on
pa ye the best one na wa hwe
Ajibro.
You just
munyi ba ko pena ye nhwe na ewum. We den blocks na.
So these are wedges. Ebi na mekan for stability.
Okay.
What am I say?
Different types of wedges.
Different type. We say the other one here the wooden side.
Yeah.
Anyway, rubber.
Okay.
It's enfan say a choking is say. Move forward.
Okay.
What am I say? You better choke the other side. Okay. And it be different shapes.
Different shapes. All
right. Different shapes.
See. Can see sir ebisu so.
What must ebisu so. Next say be a top it up. E dey be top it up.
Okay.
Oh, different mode. This war.
Okay. All right.
Ni nyina aboa. E ma ejuma di ni why dey.
Na dey go high say.
Ushe we are. Sa chainsaw we are. Ibra. Use ntina na ye ka say yedwuma na ye di ni edoso.
Okay.
Nti de say pre no motwe ben ya na ye twetwem say enye Japan yedum. Ye ABCD a. E fan say be ye call for emergency. Na there is a tree bi atokwan mu a. Ye di betwa. It just side and side. Free so that our appliance or vehicle can't get a smooth passage.
Yeah, Matthias. Answer never called the other side.
And you see, there's a reason for this.
Okay.
There's a reason for that.
Okay. We say essay any literary so. But I know it's metal and
NYB. NYB,
okay. I see. I see. Now, make us say answer never call the other side. No, I'm interested in more costume. No, what inspired your choice of costume?
No, so this is an operational way.
Okay.
Unse is very thick, and you like sooner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You get it? And you like to say near the So this is a full PPE. Okay. In performing our duty, you need to be in full PPE.
All right.
It's all the helmet, the tunics, the boots. Okay. If say your foot and commercial gloves as well.
Okay.
So that if you are sooner or you operation, be being added in channel. Do you get it?
Okay. I can imagine Moshe a nose mask as Sonia there.
Yes, when we are working in the toxic environment, okay,
right.
Maybe there's a spillage of acid and asbestos. Okay. When you inhale it, it is harmful to your health. So you put on what is called the BA, breathing apparatus.
I see baby she box what I say.
Oh, okay. So there is a BA. Open it.
Okay.
So there is breathing apparatus. It contains clean air.
Okay. So
then you don it. You don it.
You don it.
Yeah, you don the BA. Okay. When you don the BA now, it helps you to work in a conducive environment.
Nice.
So one should be now, ABI and your amphibian, you also heal what is harmful to your health.
Yeah.
So we have everything.
Everything. I can see. You want me to show the other side, no?
For sure.
Okay. Then you have say so.
All right. So here too we have quite some tools here. Okay. There is a cutter here. Cutter. Just as the name suggests. Used to
cut.
Okay. Yeah. Imagine a car crash or involved in an accident, head-on collision, or maybe a single vehicle. Okay. Now a copy and ask me visa. Now, when I was we use this tool to cut side and side. We create enough space. Then we'll take you to a safer place. Then we'll call in for ambulance. The ambulance will come. Okay. And this one too. That one to use to create space. Okay. And it's a bakutimi bi. You get it? Bakutimi bi. So it is being controlled by the hand. Okay. See you too are. Oh yeah, you need
okay.
You need and this will be quite some be then straight away. If we need to cut, we'll cut. If we need to create space, we'll create space.
I see.
And then we'll just rescue you from that.
All right, I see.
Sure.
Now, I'm just curious. More can a rescue now? There no a car rescue. What about Sabia? A ship be just to move upon us. I'm moving. More and also move on. I'm from Echo.
I think say ship neja to moi. So we into for issues so you get it.
Okay.
Ship will be our trained fire personnel inside. Which I think they will do a yeoman's job there.
All right, sure. I can see there are more PPE.
Yes, there are more PPE. So this is a safety boot. Okay, as you can see, nothing would happen to you. All right.
Oh,
sure.
Yeah.
And
wedding.
Yeah, more. There are enough extinguishers here.
Okay.
Helmet. This is a helmet. Okay. Gloves now make an ebony.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Ebony. And there are enough tunics here. These are all tunics. So imagine we have 5 or 6 personnel on board. Everybody would be in full PPE. Okay. This is a floating water.
Okay.
I want to use it to perform, and you
Oh,
see
there's a broom.
Yeah, pra.
Mopra.
Aha.
I see.
Car be pimna if your glasses ne egugu. Form the way now or clear all those debris.
Okay.
So we do every work clean.
I see.
Yeah.
Sick kind so that has it.
And you count.
Okay. All right. I see. I see. So that's all about the rescue van.
That's all about the rescue van.
Tina ye kan sham no we no endumja.
No.
Yemfa nsuongum enkodumja. Nti me ko hu rescue van na nka se fire service ko mba ya ma mfa nsu amba. We endumja. Nti yin na ye nhye ne so. So we another one so.
Yes.
Okay. Another one. And when say rescue van.
Not at all.
The structure is very different.
So this is a recovery track.
This is a what?
Recovery track.
Recovery
track.
Okay.
It's oka kutima ofreya. Yeba betwino. Towing yebetwim.
Okay.
Yeah, oka kwesi enduemu a. Now you cannot go reverse side. Call Ghana National Fire Service. We'll come and tow you.
Okay. Now, Netanya say I have a personal experience with fire service. Now your car coca baby. Work van na your free. I don't know which headquarters I'm afraid, but Omoka saw mobile. And they came with a Kia. I was expecting this. But they came with a Kia, and I was confused. Because your car is small, more the smaller version of a delivery van.
When we talk about the towing of vehicles,
okay,
looking at your small car, we don't bring this car there. But
okay.
this car is meant to tow heavy duty trucks, 4 tankers, tipper trucks, because this car, per its design and weight, it can tow any heavy truck. But bringing this car to come and tow my small saloon car, no, that was, and even our this truck can tow your small car. So mostly when you call to report the situation at hand, that will tell us what we are supposed to bring.
Okay.
But mostly this car is supposed to use to tow cars when there's a blockage on the road, when there's an accident, for example, a 4 tanker. Like what happened at Pedu Junction last month, just at the traffic light. There was a tanker there. But the tanker was containing fuel. So ideally what happened was that we have to let them transport the fuel from that tanker to another tanker before we can tow it. We don't tow a tanker while the content is inside. It's dangerous. So that's why the tanker was there for almost 3 days. People were asking questions. Why we did not tow the tanker from the scene? But we waited for the MPA to give us the go-ahead, and they brought an empty tanker to transfer the fuel from the accident one to the new one before we lifted this one to the police station.
All right, I see. All right, thank you for that clarification. Okay, so bibi fufro umwe wasi yeshe ana when the heavy duty in your month okay, no problem at all. You're moving on to the next van. Okay, say 3 ana. Now me dream as me so with the number for calling is it the same number for fire, for towing, for accidents rescue? Is it the same number?
So we have a control room here.
Okay.
So we have a control room here.
Okay.
So once there's an incident, you call the control room, you lodge what is happening.
Okay.
Then we'll come to your aid. If there's a need to deploy the towing car, fine. If it is fire, then we need to send in the PS. That one to fine. If it is an accident, we need the rescue van to come to that one fine. So your details will be taken at the control.
But then it's the same number.
It's the same number. You know, every district too has its own number. All the district fire stations. So UCC has its own number. Metro, Elmina, Commander, Praso, all the district fire stations within their region. They have their call line number. Then we have a control number too. The one you call to, it comes here. Then we'll give you every assistance that is needed. So just like I mentioned, it's a PS.
PS. Is there a full meaning?
Dual purpose tender.
Dual purpose tender. Okay.
So this is what we use to fight all kinds of fires.
Okay.
All kinds of fires. Domestic fires, down to refuse fire.
Okay.
All kinds.
All right.
This is what when they are coming to your aid we use.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what the water is inside.
So you can see there is a tanker
At the back.
At the back.
Okay, containing the water.
Containing the water.
Okay.
Not just the water too. There's a foam concentrate.
Okay.
Okay. There's a foam concentrate container to inside there, mounted there.
So two different
that
substances.
one too contains foam concentrate.
Okay.
If there's a need to use the foam concentrate when we come, we will apply it.
Okay.
If they used to use raw water too, when we come to your aid too, that one too, we apply the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
As we always try to condemn the wrong perception. As you can see, this is from UCC. It's sport.
Okay.
As another is here for maintenance.
Okay.
But just follow me. Let me show you something.
All right. I'm coming. Okay. So if a tender is sports, it is this place that you maintain it, right?
You have the
So
maintenance.
you fixed it.
Yes.
Okay.
Even though it is sport, but there's still water inside.
Okay.
I just want to prove to you that if all our cars,
Wow.
the car is sport.
You can turn this off now.
Go close it.
All right.
The sport is here for maintenance.
Okay.
They brought it that was 2 days ago, but we have to work on it.
Okay.
All the time, our tenders, our appliances, there's always water inside 24/7.
24/7.
So that wrong perception must be erased from people's mind.
Good. Thank you for that clarification. Inti mo adwe mo say fire service for mobile move nsuo ma no pacho. This is an information for you. That's 24/7. There is water in their van. As long as it is meant for fire and quantity, there's water in it. It will be an so esa. So Mr. Derry and Mr. Ofori, we will end our conversation here. But I don't know if there's anything that you want to add, anything that we didn't touch on, but you want to make up of. Bibi ayanka mo pese mo de kan ho ansana yapon mo fa enka so that we can draw the curtains.
It's a simple message in say say oko ahunyi mo a ejato ufia call us.
Okay.
Or come. Ka kutima call us or come.
Okay.
Na ofreya my the exact location. Okay. Make sure say ofre is teaching. One go through be only ejumum. So that the chena eba one go buye.
All right.
The beatings is too much.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah. Right. Thank you very much, Mr. Ofori.
I will appeal to the general public for support.
Okay.
As an institution, we see people supporting the police service, the armed forces, but for Ghana National Fire Service, it's once in the blue moon. So I appeal to the general public in terms of fuel maintenance, anything, maintaining the office, they should come to our aid and we're ready to deliver and support and put them in safe condition.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Derry Vitos, Acting Regional Operations Officer, Central Region.
Yes,
all right. Mr. Ofori Atta, first name in review. Isaac Ofori Atta, and also a Deputy Regional Operations Officer, Central Region. Now, Meka was a Coastal TV Community Connect and Uguswa Ushe, your fire service, a Pedu headquarters. And no everything about fire. You be sure say you be explore and send you free hako. It's bomadi say only ye ebetina. Now your other departments say control department, safety department, and so I was say no edin komont no yenji break kakra na ye koba na fe ye no matna se no modin komo. Nti ye be ba say amen ko bebia.
Sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no ena afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Babiem Embra Coastal TV Community Connect Jumedie no eso na yewo Ghana National Fire Service eye Pedu headquarters ha na yewo Beju no meka che say ye ne control room for no ebedi nkomo ye explore the department e wo ha no na baby edu ne ye control for no omu control ede no mu controlli Eden pa no mu control nti omo abeka share ni omu control nti anope baby adwun de control room for na ba nkoma na omo ka me ho ewo efia ase ya ye no omu edi nkomo no eye ADO1 Pearl Max Simpany ono eye OIC control room central region ha ya no ye na adwuma ha sam din kan no na me san so ewo ADO1 Harriet Bimpoma ono so ye deputy OIC control room ya Pedu ya na also edi nijuma. Beautiful ladies and beautiful women. Pacho mama kwa baba Coastal TV so. Me so me da se pa say motimi minimisa course bebre na ebe but motimi a free time any ye ba bedi nkomo. Ye da mase pa. Okay, my mention say free Madam Pearl also. Say me din kan no mo control room for there na mo ye.
Okay, Pacho, say. Yeah. Control room there and say you receive emergency calls eba. It's emergency calls eba because a region no. Share the whole central region. Inti your 20 regions your 20 districts share. Inti calls neba. It could be say ebi nipa na frɛ is a kwasim for so. Inti will dispatch appliance no kwasim for so. And say what that district no so with the dispatch say what has ya so until you control all the appliance near what central region no ye control omo ye time e cheso omo call they see one incident scene. They basically they give us information, they give us update on what happens at the fire scene. Ejuma basically no.
So more receive calls na when any mo next person na mo communicate calls na mom.
Inti pache you receive call na sa ye frɛ caller no. Inti caller no ye frɛ wa obeche yen baby a incident na si. Inti e bia incident na si Pedu a ye nim say RHQ never call because station bia wa jurisdiction obetumi akodu sa limit no. Inti ono sa na ne ya frɛ Pedu a ye de Pedu de bebo bell no. Into omo besan from near omo 10 hours later omo be coincident scene no. Into omo kwa caller no be frɛ caller na in exact location. Sometimes no caller ne fra because ebia reshimu na said sometimes don't to me my exact location or to me I say Pedu but Pedu so enti ye per landmark e be chere say ebia Pedu e be in school no e be in church e be Catholic church na be way and be boa crew men number ba no e be boa mo so that when they are coming they just come straight to the incident scene enye afi no mko da ne down be wan ansa no modu baby e che so mudu no.
Na me fra necessary say me bo meeting.
Yes, for record keeping into here.
Okay, nti me bo meeting na location. Moji GPS so kan wana.
Location na here. So the most important thing here landmark na be boa.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Madam Harriet, yemfa ne say me fra no, ayam hihye nti mama details ni na nemu mafre more me number at least ne more me number. Apart from say remember more details no more any other way I'm basically retrieving me location no.
But should I be? Your best answer afro.
Best answer afro me. Okay.
Say oh my be our friend no one my I am just to one my location. Your bet your best fro.
Okay.
Na ye bisa say your poucho what catch say ja to one more there but ye nya location into your men no omuntu me ma.
Okay.
Yes sir wa my location na e betimi amaye nso ya amaye men no aba beboa.
Okay.
Ye befro.
Okay. Yemfa ne say me we fom na ejane toy nti na me share dey we fom ho na say no efoni na ye hye. Eno no me frɛ ma mo beba.
Mba chai. Ye dwuma ne say beba bedum ja.
Okay.
Nti o life ne at stake. If baby a wa fra danger ne one we have to come there. It doesn't matter. Provided say there is sometimes ubedru no access to the scene and there are issue but you be to car say but because our job is to save your life.
Okay.
Into what friend say you are in danger we have to come.
Madam Harris, how often na mo receive prank calls e wa say?
Very often.
Very, very often.
Yes. Very often. In a week we can receive like 2 prank calls.
Wow.
Yes. In a week. That is in a week. And sometimes more. Yes.
I don't know. I am with me identify any way of a number no. And what do? Do you more blocking the panel and more reported then?
When we receive the prank calls, we give it to the PRO and then they take it they take it over.
Like the number no?
Yes.
Okay.
Number and the Bema PRO and the PRO will take over the whatever they will have to do to the person. But ours is to receive the call, dispatch the appliers, and then we'll realize, say, a prank call.
Okay.
We wouldn't know unless say you drew once. Until you drew on our film catcher, so there's no fire at the scene. Of course, then fire for drew hand and say that is when Omoba. Then we'll give the number to PRO, and then they will take over whatever they have to do. They will do it.
Sir, prank calls we need dispatching appliance and nothing comes out of it, no. How is it affecting your work?
It's affecting us a lot because time now we are friend now you dispatching a man. It be a jato baby fufu. We have to attend to that person. But yeah, dream when you name say a for prank call. Inti a dispatching a man to way. Inti so mu drew honum no catcher say a prank caller. And yes and so. Dispatch to the next fire no. A chance so entrain will be a inti she. Intinka sa time na ye de call sa prank call and ye de bar sa other incidents na ya save you time, ya save you lives, ya save you a lot of things. Inti it affects us in a whole lot of ways. It affects us.
wastage of time, resources, and fuel. So
yes,
and yeah, dear. All right. Madam Pearl, Mami sounds so in let's say 1 minute. Prank calls to and pay to
okay, medase. Sometimes no ofel say uni share inti wenya ha inti na wafa phone na ofre and as our credit be our name the other bay. But I say the oye no ebe block you be chance and I say obi life is at stake and that moment ni yebe to me abuano inti ye shemo pacho me shemo bium se prank calls ne so nim say enye fire na washa da wa frɛ na pacho jai ebi musu di omo phone omo ja omo phone ma omo mba nti oba be 5 years okita phone ubo wan wa frɛ fire service ye be frɛ obeti akola no voice ebi wo ha genuinely omo frɛ for fire because I've witnessed some say akola frɛ a eja hye no but ebi also be frɛ no or the phone need dia go na wa kɔ frɛ fire service. Iti maame ne ba o se madam pacho me sorry o na me ba na di phone ni di agro yes shemo a phone no se untumi a o de face e o ba no and say block a contact na untumi free fire service because you waste somebody's life ebi wo kwa wada na fire tom na si an because of we ye chese e call honum by time be ba na nipa no wewu enti sisi an why na enti me share one phones no say akola yi fini nsem pacho say woni hwe ya pacho men fire service because we are emergency lines and respond to emergencies and yes mo a medase
na for the sake of ABI your new viewer be and na ohwe because fire service numbers dey be ayebo but for the sake of ABI your new viewer be and or journey no my more lines na ebetimi afre
okay pacho ye short code na 192 but short code no fry ekwa akra short code ne bekwa akra ansa na akra ama information no it is central region yeah emergency line that's the headquarters yeah emergency line here 0205 388 644 pacho me bosu biom 0205 388 644 and here for Pedu. But other districts no so almost emergency line. It will call us info so emergency line. Oko metro emergency line. Oko kaswa emergency line. Budumburam. It is say me suggest say baby a wotibia bomodia nenya fire service line na wo honom. It cuts down the time omudibedu ho because a normal ben it will fry no more do. For instance, who watch for parcel now only for parcel number no friend ye better from but oh number from directly no more do ho. But what I say until more fire stations near any Pedu no and I say we know there's fire stations nearer to them. They can go there and pick the number so that they can save it on their phone. Emergencies can happen at any time. You can always be a shaby. It and say one number na no afre. Last time you share video be say obi born number say 991 near fire service but it's not the right number. ABR fumunta no casa. But if you have it on your phone, at least when him say I have this number on my phone, no frepe ebeba.
Say I say 24-hour economy we Ghana has a control room we 24-hour economy and there's a specific time be am we ejuma.
But you ejuma 24 hours.
24/7.
But try.
And I do the swim crowd me fra
time be out be free be we be pick it.
Yeah, that must be fine, you know. ADO1 Pearl Maxim Penny and ADO1 Harriet Bimpoma na ye no mo ebo nkomo omudi omujuma ewo Pedu fire service I say control room specifically eho na omo office ewo nti omo mienu na ne ye no omo edi nkomo nti me sure say na wonni mo number and na wahu omo number at least one fa hwe kra na for omo number no na save na emboa 24/7 so economy no moye wa ha say nti anytime bi a obefre bia so no enka say oh na ade asa na me feel so ma point no man frɛ there bi time bi a obefre bia no ombefa na omo attend it to you ne yesre so sane madam edi no cry de me refi madam Pearl ekaye no mo amoye prankos wo de wonni ne wo di data na airtime ne be ya me de me number be so na wa send am me wade me ma bebra de be ye me ye prankos bia o ha se mfo obi nkwa ento asem ye da masepa se mwatie na ye be moving on to other departments na ye wo safety department aye no mo eba be di nkomo na me ba yen so mo say ye obi be friend say fire police na me dey say fire police so e dey no mo ye but mate say department bi o han so a e dey sa nti no mo so beba na ne o mo ye wo mo department no o mo ne ye aba be kan nti for me da mo say bibi o ha yanka mo pese mo kan ana ya exhaust bibia yo okay jo ene na ye da masepa ye beja mo kwan mo makọ na ye nso akọ no nso aka na ye fe ye ba ye ne fire police for no so aba be hwetwe nkomo
Moa
drums are talking. Balogo, balogo, balogo. Mama yenye, die betu mi biara. Emfa moa yema. Ghana, ansana yako, ansana yako. Nanano, empenyia yebiko. Edrume newo. Yeso, seyebe yebi. Niatu aso. Mama yenye, die betu mi biara. Emfa moa yema. Ghana, asana yako, asana yako. Nanano, empenyia yebiko. Edrume newo. Yeso, seyebe yebi. Niatu aso. Mrs. Somambeya. Nefremene wo Somambeya. Nefri yenara, yenara yebra, yebra yeriboy. Enone seyoma, neyoma yeah. Aba Ghana for yenko bieme. Somambeya. Nefremene wo Somambeya. Nefri yenara, yenara yebra, yebra yeriboy. Enone seyoma, neyoma yeah. Somambeya. Nefremene wo Somambeya. Nefri yenara, yenara yembra, yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma, neyoma yeah. Kwampa yengo bime. Somambeya. Nefremene wo Somambeya. Nefri yenara, yenara yembra, yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma, neyoma yeah. Eba Ghana for yenyina yentwe. Somambeya. Nefremene wo Somambeya. Nefri yenara, yenara yembra, yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma, neyoma yeah. Siriba. Anyhow money bibia, I just so here. Anyhow way, you money baby, I just so here. Tewe. Munso, 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 mayenye ejuma, 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 ejuma. Yamfamo adeshemei. Eni yanara, yemrenyo. Eni yaoni bibi, seonia. Eni yaoni bibi, seonia. Eni yaoni bibi, eni yaoni bibi, seonia. Eni yaoni bibi, seonia. Mese munso, 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 munso mayenye ejuma, 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 ejuma. Yamfamo adeshemei. Eni yanara, yemrenyo. Eni yaoni bibi, seonia. Eni yaoni
Ekrobi wose ekwo ha awodezi nkan sha se o se inde yindo inde ye bobwejem
inda. And all this mamma which does offend you me. Nemum, so when you will be no with this yara, Bahamas or Bashaw. If you buy a basket of the Cotocobe, who go on fair, and I'm kind of quite a goal or Cotocobato and a goal and a goal, a bassa goal, eh? And say, and you manage with this yara, no, I you be. And saying, Diamina dum, you will do me just so ye, of Infirmantum, Nitsra, our Pedu, Hana, and they were. And say, in the so, yada, Costa TV, community connected to me, chassis. Abosom ESSIEN na numbre ya de dumi jejuma ha ya be ye me biara amaka ho ne mpefisi on frank intention jeans nti ya ma aye be mfa afram nti na nde nye odumi jafo nkutin twetwe nkomo ya aba mazen ama ndazimba we was tomorrow kodo aninti ina nde be budu pepesi nti beda ahwafo etefo beda onase then why you too fall in the pay? Me feeder about to here now. Costa TV, yeba, it's Friday, basa. Finna Friday. Na, Susan so Friday, and Susan, and about to classmate to Fupi, each other, ya with it. Na, Bomazana, Kone Facebook, Quaver, as Mobisi. Mammy, and Abada. Wasn't Dama able to show a height, yada, other bada cry. And tell me, Master Babatana, no, Babon was in a fee, can, safety once some na abwa me to my claim. ADO1 Bernard Kojoham, Anona, in about to come abwa ma, a can, safety. What are you doing, Joshua? Bad the pan to me. I pray Mamma acquire by the Mahinwa.
Yahinwa.
I promise you.
I'm not dumb. I promise you, Papa, no one say.
You want to do right. It does be that was it. Imagine do na ebo na about do then de wa bo mazen da when you reach my pa he so he want papa Abraham say you can there odum jejuma you can safety we do the pa we do just so you on then
yo and the page ya bada Coastal Television ase
right
wa me na konya ma yenye timemufo etwetwe komo ye chechre nyama oyo fire service ye yes ye de wona ase papa wodwuma so na worye was me gweman na Ghana men nyina yenyo so na ye safety department or ye department ye wo in 3 units. The first unit is the educational unit. Ano you call schools, radio stations, television stations, churches, mosques, banks, and other institutions, guest house, nazi, fire safety education, amamfo, matime mufuno, what yeza, osafata, orenfa atrenchen biara, orenfa mbrehen. Ani yanchachra or your safety department ye taste what there them department na washe wobo a ijashiso ho ban de wu wo yan benemu ibio safety department ye wo inspectorate unit no ano ye ko schools, churches, ye ko banks, radio stations, television stations, and all other institutions, offices, nazi, your fire safety inspection or premises ye identify risk na other factors are obotum ozi ijashisho ozaba. Na mostly no ye inspection na we have nyamebia ye take cognizance of the menyaman, especially means of escape. Ye can means of escape kwana baby in case of any eventuality ye can eventuality at renchem sa ebotum egwan afa wonworun kotochime biara ano yahwe the mazen na yesan so yahwe de e fire extinguishers na other protective equipment wo ho a yahwe fire alarm bells, smoke alarm detectors, obi detect early detections, wo fie another wooden mu ansana fire service for yaba. Nti yɛhwɛ dɛm nyɛma nyinaa yɛhwɛ dɛ sprinklers na adze wɔ hɔ a in case of bibinya nankasa automatically sprinkler nankasa obobo nsu ode godo ni nyinaa dɛm nyɛma na safety department yɛhwɛ yɛyɛ wɔ inspectorate unit ɛna yɛwɔ certification unit certification no ano sɛ ebesi wo dana is what drawings is about fire safety department. You review drawing, that is the architecture drawings. You review drawings and you share alternative exit naza or what drawings in whether it is accurate before you are certified and sana you are more permit there call in the case done. Ne yesan so is real yemo BB what from the fire certificates. I know yemo something called conceptual report. Conceptual report will indicate in Yama also the Oba office another building na put up in Yama also the Beminina and Sana etum as started the operate. Inti say is certified with all these requirements now. And now fire service or yet the chief officer one more certificate to operate, meaning you are certified with all the safety aspects into Wabama Okon or your fire certificating ma is a operate.
Damen zame na yoko oye odum jaso ye safety department oba madan efi otumo ye. Osi ekwan biara do no atama me ato nsa afre no be yankoma ago kan no so baba bi. Ntinzeme ba san oba madan efi otum na odijuma. Ekwan pa oba yan chachira aman nazimba. Akwanpa oba foda ahwe nzama bia nnazama wotum woreye akwanpa obotum no waje watum da wodwumeze eritum rezenu obaboa me etum na afone tempefra yegudu yara yakwe na yimi yebakwa akohwe ne department no so nte yegudu na yehwe department so aza otum nte MC a omba maze na fi wonye na fi wonye da menzama so ntuto ama otene hia fi mpere oye eje hamba manu mudu nti ebahwe da obakọ ho ni hina na fi etum na abua yesa yankọ na yim ejaham yamfa no nkọkọ da pesa wo tey sifom anhwe ne ya asew ni hina la ahyehyw nti ma yenhwe da yamfa oye nkyekere oye education etum ka ho asam education no ebo nsoro ahoro ebo edwuma da ahoro schools ebo hunizin egizi de fitsi bira odum je dwuma sha se 1963 nkyekere na ye no nazimba worete anade atiden
yo you better say in fact education na yeyen in fact timemufo no sisia no yeruhu de nyeme bi wo ho a na first no yeya on ya odi ijahyeso baban through the education na yeyen nti wa mankofo wa ya aware of it ma sisia no why then worry nyama osafata and through the social media na ziso you go to social media ebon there when you google anything about fire ebon nyama bebre into people are learning and nanse no so no yeko first na yeko radio station na za unkofo in shadantin wo feed the ijan o we chirichi on benhen but now no we mu there ijan ze obeniye nyina into sisi anaze timemufon will say in some fire service yazer brown one in some part yazer brown one because ye who bebre baby a atorenchen bebre atoto into one man nyina so ya where there woman nyina yom sum ye pempem sum na yembo yan ho ban ameja hihyu biara oronkotoyen wo manim into sisi as a gradual process unkofo will accept yan messaging ma will retain asupom inti wama ijahyeso na first okodu bebre sisia no nano wa brase kakra
ija nazimba ohyehyɛ ho ɔsɛn japaza ahoro no eje hamsi ɔnam nkyɛkyɛ pa wotumo yanti pinya ne etum na akofom na abian kwanso otu nka na wanka wa telema na ɔkyɛ so no kwana afede dum didi aninti na wa abane de ubon kwampo hwe ho na kyira wo ho ne de anamra wotumo rutu no aboa ma ɔde nsese pii nyan so ɔtum no ɔdreba yɛ kɔ hene yimi yɛbu na school fo etia hyen wɔse wɔkɔ nkranmantom wɔkɔ andemantom yɛhwɛ hena ha ahokeka yɛrebusua ade ɛkwana ɔfoda wotum dumja etiti dɛ ɔyɛ education wo yɛ maframa wo taaba ane de bia wo dɛ yɛkɔ aba no
yo mostly schools in wata waba pa waba ha your church on department na then your familiarization of your equipment na the in the waba safety department this summer you want to kasa fa because my pharmacy ijano was a catch them young so oyabo fraba na catch the younger ano offer no or grow with azar where the ne yes action into my from and what safety department what fire service ankasa your church on jumeza fire service yes nyina into sisi abofra ba owofie mpo onyimde the mazi yakwa fire service was say the mazi mama yen bill ya ozi jasho the baba into all these things no you catch one young into my from so why then wenya ntase wonyeme bi hu masisia no ijashesho ehu dem moframa no bebre na wonyim nyama okos ijan bebre na was matches na nyama wodiza agro matches na abofra bazi onyim dem matches se also no sinensa na otutin baby ara ano nhwe sa carpet na wato do sa abazi na wato do abofra bazi nenyo but woba ya church on the madini nya antisisa no wenhu de the menyama nkitinkiti so waya odija baba nti maframa so weesua na wama sisia no wonyina so waja atum nti wori ye bibiara so a wankasa so we are very careful about it.
Wotu na mo bia wo hwe ne yi na wotu ama onfa ahaw etum na onfa amba nti yanko ne yim kekere bi wi a yanko another sector na yin nko twetwe nkomo da yin hwe nda yetum yekɔ na yim nsora horoa eja ha mobozini asore bi wo ha hunu nchia wo se Christ asomdwe na cha wo bopuna yin ebenom so assalamu alaikum na cha malam no menu mudo madom asor hallelujah di obi agibi ejiti de nazimba wo asore no mu asora wotum ogi hinetum abaya ne impa 100 na what's there odumja fa aba abaya no aka impa 10 wuta na mara da madino so ayo hu ne hu a aba sam na woka anana aba na wo ya fa
yo ewu de impen bebre yakwa churches na dumpo dan ya fa na nyankofo because yakwa each and every time nti maye yenye de ye hunu de people are not interested in the fire education na yaman
right
nti osede ye change strategy no sometimes osede inwa na change strategy and how to go about it nti mostly your time ebia wo ye women's fellowship men's fellowship and then the way you gathering be wo church ano yenya bulk of the people timemifu yenya one papa because programming into through the programming na yenye asofo no yenye won hyehye ma oyedene what fixing wo program into at the earlier stage of the program no call faban na yeko you can give education. In fact, say as the education so come on now. When you are the papa, bebre now will be some questions bebre. Will be saying there when you put the dimension meaning na or hot another dominion meaning na waya or the jababa. But in does it we to win into sisa no they are accept messaging churches na in fact mobile pastors na don't some a one bad because there's a letters na the bia call there be education one people when it's cry na wa gather one nkofon when you na mehen me you na kasa yes say them a nkitamuzi a yafe wo me yensum damara na nyina no yemboa na ejahyeso na osisi wa Ghana ni nyina no duntwa
Abraham yan shazi bi de yere kan bambo ho nsam wo ye dumja me yetimemi abakwa na mutuma afada bebi amete mo bambo nsese ya obutum na wa aboa asana mbiripi ene ye hunde yeko oye filling station ahorowa ebo na taxi driver aho na woma taxi aja awoso uduguma na wo woso no kinke wa ka chehye ne fene ne fina ano ye safety adwuma wotum ye damara so na bia yitumi di hini dwuma ekwana ye ka feel oil hine gas na efe ba oza trentwi ma me odende wa ka ne kira ye bedi so na apagya atum ane ye safety dwuma yetum ye yekọ oye ihini edenim nda me fifie me domi TV praw na hin TV no so ankote ndi bibia no tumisi safety dwuma na yetum ye ye fa no kokura dan na bebe mafa
yo ye ba start with hini fifie
right
bebre na say ye fifie a ye check there hina bon ya atum ebien anede basa sometimes simple when the yakwa kakra we are not convinced there ya to abu no mu ye because you feel the ewi bi botum wide ne wa be so no we bu wiaze wo ho but na ye we free there ewi kase nankasa oye ija nankasa ya de na ijado because yero kwan ye feel there ije bia rinsi nti yenye yesom na hen TV remote na ye the remote no mom ye edum TV is it dum TV na ekwa current so or flow through the television into any power fluctuation power and occur oba baby sometimes yanka say when you if you mpana wodum lighter yanhwe na light no restore you boy there bob why you boom meaning urban or the high current no the bay be so poor current and obaban not light and bulb and wire dim. Yeah. Meaning of the low current, not the bay. Right. So young fan there is a remote is a dumini. Now light and off, not obey no other high current or the ben offer television numa ija no chade or the baba. Inti boy there it will jumum it will war office in there at there ija at wufi. Inti my safety department yeba catch on there. Say nyina ye fifia yen dama yehwe yetoto hyenum boom ye make sure so there ye nyina ma wodin nyina no ye dundum ansa na ye nyina ye fifie because nyina ma wodin no anede fire oboyen wo nyeme bebrem because yanka say mpe ya yetentena he yerbe ye to hyenaze ija na yeze ye yenu phone ye charge ija no nam phone nimu car yefo ebe ija no zinanam nti ija no zo oboyen bebre but say yentum yanso wana no za atrencham o the brain nti ye kachire me mufu de wo me nyina yen ya hwe ye yemba yen ho ban na ebon ho ban a wo bo wa ba onkan yembra filling station mostly yeko filling stations radio filling station gas filling stations fuel filling stations yeko yenwon ka yen chechire bebre ya catch one the cars na waban mama waba won woso can because me yenimi there water finds its level fuel na is a good can and the kwesi bronyo yen in such a way there say oya ma e boy there a pump na nozzle na nkasa no na ezebashe a can mun obeden obakat e boy there wa cat but in yen ebibifun he na dwen there on yema because them space small one now or one and there see you before some vapor be oba out ihu or the mirage yenya yezi yenyu it is there that them vapor them ekwan kakra na obakan vapor obotun wa circulate wo tank nimu but say inya a feeling iye de shaking de a feeling mo wa yama inyim de petrol so oyaza or expand into obanam na or the explosion no the baba or the ba or cheda be shoe filling station ebi pa nyimpa we wu akan into ye catch one each and every time bia ye born koko ye call lorry station so ye catch drivers there wo me yen hwe the mazin because nyimpa mpo is izina emia bebrea sometimes iffy the maso ne them a fuel tank no so ote because of the petrol no oil expanding into ya catch one dead all these things and woman nyina yantwe yen wonfin ama atorenchem biara oronkotoyen
Oswen ya fon Zacchaeus abra Yesu reban osene tietia benti odo pesuri gina Zacchaeus no wi anho wa abra bom da ana yankopon dizima ebudum pempensi nti tamfo hu hia pa dam dodo a bi hia no wo wale wo dɔɔso na so titi abɛgye wo ya nwode pi nti se ekɔ Costa TV mo boss MC ala champion man ana obaka che ode umfati umfa wichi efua na mo de pan no na wo do wi amotum na wa agba baby aso etum awi pe enti ye kwene mi za on che bia me hine mu do na so Inse mmoje obi apye na mo num asam ana chiri bibisa enti ye kwene yimi on che na me himudo na safety nsam za na odo so pa safety nsam odo so ye hwe gas no so etumi bi say no ya ka feel gas it out to from wo ye car nature we de hima ye kwala wo de ye tumi na ye so another wo de tumi this wo mo gina am kakra
yo me peda me catch on the gas or you very dangerous than petrol na diesel.
I see.
Because gas o leaker info wonyo info hu baby gas and we do. Na gas no so our cylinder numa and your friend compressed gas. But so office cylinder numa the gas multiplies itself by 250. And internet say ijinahana gas o leak CCR equal 400 meters. A better the scent of the gas. Into gas are very dangerous because petrol is a good from CCI. Boom, baby, petrol no. Why then? Watson we do. Baby, na say you call filling station. You can filling and gas. You do to come. Car no, and the potholes na zo working or dangle na zo car nature. You do good to fear. You do fear. What may make sure that you the gas cylinder. Yes, for 15 minutes to 20 minutes, so that gas and way too wide then was settle or contain and nimu. And Sunday you use yes I then but mostly nano yenye yakwa nano ne yakwa so gas on ye proper obotum ozija no oziba brain mostly boy there say yenye yakwa na yenye yaso ya oye home home opedo catcher the ompe azar enyere into women yina yentwi yen film say you can fill young gas we make sure the gas and you just from 15 minutes to 20 minutes ma unsettle and sana you use ama onfa atorenchen biara or enfan kabrahim
so embe na man yakura man kasa me ba sana pa eja ham oton do tugwan na ya kwene yim na ya me he Sunday fire police soroba ebi se eja ham de yehwa odum jejuma finfin mantoma ye wanzama obwa ma ofibro to be the me hawi otumisisi wo oye ibobwa nazama mo otum ofi dem nzamani here ya available and I say kran ka ban mo de foforo baka
yo enyamaze mo te de aban wa bre ni nyame bebre ye wo nyame bebre nyo na anyi de nya so ye bohwe ye hu ye because I believe that the best way of fighting fire is by prevention.
Very well.
Inti ye bo timemufuno ye kake one day. Say ye pede ye bo yan ho bana, inyankasa yan bo yan ho ban. Nobody can be more Catholic than the Pope.
Correct.
Yes, because our fire service you ontum mbon ho ban nche no warankasa wo ho. Nti warankasan ibutuma bon ho ban asan fire service yin because fire service yin enyo onye woti wudem onyim zai ye wudem nti meye baka chenwen de meye ye wo fie bia no wo meyen hwe na yen ye za osafata oromfa atorenchem biara oromfa mbrahim
eham afutu hia nti na agbo okura olechere wo oya asore de ma communion yen yanku bia onye binzi nti ne za na obupoi aba afutu na de ma hema ya mehelmudo
yo afutu kakra mewo yadema timemufo ni de ye pede ye catch one day fire service ye woman ya ye ever ready for any incident but ye pede ye catch one day say atorenchem sa yan fire service fo no ye happy ye lose appetite because yenyim their lives and properties are involved inti women ye nyina yambo yan ho ban ye pampam sum. And safety, fire safety, or your shared responsibility. I will from fire service for yayin and afamizan. I know na your friend fire safety. You don't want to see.
Yabade Hamas papa da wotum na ahia boy yankoma besibire na so dem bizin kamekain urban oya safety no mu asam wo ya dum ja so ye yentumi kan hina nsa fibiro to be free de biara etu nsafraun na ndazi abaka oya so na ye ha nta be fufuren isane ba ebasen ya be fufur yabade Hamas na mom zorobo ma segbu ye etum komozin etum abewie yi kra no oya uraba oya Fina baba na onyi fire police butum na about nkomo so urban there nka na ncha wotum recruit dom na ncha Fina ndo recruit no ha na efe tum na akọ so na urban height da ncha obafa na ahoden nkan ze chese obi sanala na efe tum na agba dan da yosima ba bi ye ba ze tum na aka no no e mama oye Fina atiodo.
Oh, hey.
ye bebre ye di kan ene various departments di kan actually nkomo de dada ye ne control PR and all of it na me gidi say nkomo a ye gusa ye twitwi wesua eniama bebre efrim baby I do ne ye ne the fire police department ubetimi afro and say special duties, yes. Ebe twitwe nkomo na obi we bisa say fire police department so omo ne hwan mu omo ye a police for a omo nsa eye fire service personnel and say omo ye fire service personnel a omo che eye akronfo intine sa no ye wo ADO1 Sylvester Mensa ewa ha oni ye ebe twitwe nkomo obe answer your questions ni na amaye Mr. Sylvester memo akwaba
yeah.
Okay. And fire police no, and I say special duties no. Muju me di anything.
Okay, but that's pa na me shasi fi baby answer yate ase ye. Eka fire police was eba Ghana National Fire Service in October 1992. By our late Chief Officer Samuel Vallis Achianu. Na bute titiri out the fire police eba ne say opese fire police ebe share the discipline aspect of personnel. Personnel fire ijumakuo no omo aya form no so mbetumi edi imbraso. Imbra ejuma ne de ato so mbedi so. Now, the first batch of fire police, it trained in 1993 by the military police.
Okay.
The second batch was also trained in 94. Then around that time, it died off, but it came back again in 2003. It was revived in 2003. The purpose why I'm reviving is in Bribu say as ye developing. Fire personnel omo mudumijano omo ko sinsa yebo omo obi ode ne nkwa ato say bia eja anasa atotenche bia to baby obeboa no na public no ebo no ite ejumeko no hu say no e was say sign so call back e call revive fire police sisi ano misakra kakra abem ye grow beyond the discipline aspect now we are in a dispensation sisi and fire police say bia eja anasa attention be to baby the first point of contact ebedu scene no fire police jumedi poti a omedi wo ho baako ene say omudu ho make sure say crowd na nkasa na omo in distress they try to calm them down. The second aspect too has to do with the control traffic because that do baby sa attention na do bon say traffic control around that vicinity is very difficult.
Yes.
It ombe pave way for appliance so that the issue of we want to fight all those things. No mudu hoswa so they have to protect them. It's almost some ban. As I would do mijano, I said we do mijano public and I say will be original honum. The boy foot to the level say to me control the baby echo bono. It's almost best any amena na bomb na after the HR so say yankasa so ejina wa ye no so on be boy so ye ho ban. Now apart from we so different roles so play which has to do with protection. ABR occasion be e koso baby obe from wa on be kwa ko ho ban. They will provide security, they will provide traffic control. E just on ma asumdwe aba baby owo no. And ejuma jumedin be say eba ejuma mu so they also provide security. Emma personnel are omwasi and visitors so omoba visit the organization. It's the fire police, they perform so many roles, but these are some of the major basic roles we play for now.
Okay, Mr. Sylvester, who say usually when there's a fire outbreak, controlling the crowd can be very difficult. And also I say fire police what are some of the things you do firstly before any other thing?
Okay, me that say. On say, adiana kasa no nipa asem na to no na kuma wosoro that level no okona se ebia okokikeme no so okotiatia na obese eniama enti edu hono a in a cardinal point of bibi a friend sympathy one e was say nimpa na asem na to no you be in a person's shoes for that moment ohwe how wo feel na obekrokro no enti edu hono a one enye se edu hey kowechi no we try to come in a consensus agreement if feel how you also feel na eni omo akasa wa abotre oh madam bra wechi kakra oh baby ogina no ase ho nye bibi tu sisi a no a ebe kosim madam oh saa na eche say akrokro kwan so na afa kwan so a control mo but in an aspect say oh control no so no ye obi ni mo so nwa so edi enti as a oh coming down no ono na bufo na do level bi a oh control na ye enti we have something we call rules of engagement we go by the rules of engagement. Into the final stage, in the say no, this one we can't control it. We need to apply force. Then that place will apply force to it.
Okay, me who say o share check koko. Na me who say obi fu from so share enubi. Into no fire police part of my uniform na said ben.
Sisiano, o say apart from o share fire service, o share military crowd, o say o share check koko, o share prisons. We say bim so check koko. It we ashensu dia. We say we he belongs to a fire police unit. It here check koko no. It say we belong to the unit. But for now no, obi o check koko ube hunu ewa Ghana National Fire Service. It means that the person has been trained by the military. It we say bim so ebo FP ebo omonsa. Say the ebo me say yeah, but o check tuntum. Which means that the person has not gone through a complete training by the military. The first batch in the second phase, the third phase, we have been trained by the military. We will try to also train the entire team. For now, we have come to train those on the ground so that they can have the basic aspects of the policing. Then with time, we'll be pushing them to the military. We say you also. It's you say any kakran with time no. You know we check okolo. Okay.
You also made mention say fast police no mobile edum ja for now or more at the scene in the case of a fire outbreak. You protect the people who are helping to turn off the fire as well. What exactly goes into it? What goes into the protection?
Okay, your cap protection aspect. One, bedumijano. We are looking at for them not being attacked by the public. Two, ABA, no say in 24 workers or say near ultras or nims and chiachia. One say adrenaline in an say ye dumija, ye save you be from a distress. But all of a sudden, ABA won't say a diner ye koshemunu, baby I shall say a boo ifi abontain ba or no one inside. It won't de koso. Quickly need to me communicate with the OIC of the crew. Boss, no, Mumbra, I say, be say baby koso. And shedan koye, mupimbra, yes sir, your lives are in danger. And I say, Ubi ebe attack or mo ewusino. Say nipa ne be attack or mo. Ye signs. You see certain signs. It won't say. Nipano I steady moving from one step to another step will be a pocket or shade. You see signals. There are certain signals that you see among them. We try to pick those signals. Nipons and session bottom 1, 2, 3. No bang. Fire phone or Kasaba hat. No bang. Nation bottom. Nation bottom. They are starting to say a monitano. It will do a bride now. Oh, when you be I am say meka bibi kakra kaswa. This year, fire be AC or Kaswa market. Ye men ewo honoma omu dumija. Then say, omu so dumija no. Omu dumija na wi they have to stand by. Eshe say be your free be reignition. Say be a jan besan so asomu bi mo. Amu hona amu yan say Kaswa boys no aba. Hey, fire mo dumija na wi amu fi anko. Aden no knowing say omu pe ade area, but because of our presence there no, omu to me execute omu motive no. Enti na eyo ya ehi ehu ya ne say some few minutes later omo aba in a group omo ba ya no I say hey attack no mo say nipa oha adwen eye peni na order Kasua fire station na no ba ko ben no asɛ dia won say ye pushi and otwe sikan wɔ ne botom or the be wo no otwe sikan na quickly enough obi ogina nche ehu eso ni nsem etenke che say omo ehu a nkɔ de sikan na wɔ ekunu kwa so nti we have come to fight against all these things. As a year no, we are looking out for these signs. It will also be a BBC or than no one say original one chain or the to go bra. I want to say no true work one chain. I just say we motive now one cry no. I remember to me execute.
Okay, from what you are saying, fire police, you people do not take part in the in ensuring say ejanu edum, but then you are around to ensure safety, to ensure say everything is going on well. But then I want to know, say, in the case, the team that is on the fire needs more hands, and then the crowd too is, difficult to control. At that point, as the fire police, what do? Are you going to leave the crowd, attend, join your colleagues, give them the extra support they need, or how do you go about it? Okay,
Medasipa, I'm say Asamobi is in two folds. Say at the normal circumstance, say crew no co-scene. That's say omu here additional hand. If you have something we call pump 2, they have to make a call to the control room afraid for additional men. Likewise, fire police say honum. They say who say no, the crowd they are beyond our control. What we do is we also call for additional support. But in the case of Omu Dumijano, Omu here additional men, are we going to help? And I say we are going to stick to our duties. Now we look at one before answer. Ebeka say buano. Share your number our ground.
Okay.
Into asa situation no air kosro no. We are looking at the signs. And quickly we will not look yema situation no and that level. You share number on the ground. They share crowd. They will say no. Your number we isha. Quickly, you have to call for backup. Quickly, we have to call for backup. Until you free backup, na backup ne bar. Now, mind you, all omo fire police biano, they are all trained firefighters.
Okay.
They are all trained firefighters, so they can equally help when we have enough men on the ground.
Okay. And see, Mr. Sylvester, me person who say, in the case of a fire outbreak. At the initial stages, what do you expect the bystanders to do?
Okay, in a case of a fire outbreak in the initial stage, we'll say at that point, make a science kakra. At that point, we will say the temperature in the fire foam, all the combustible materials are action, nina foam. But at this point, we, the public, we think that, we can handle it. For instance, in the case of a fuel fire, being it petrol, gas, oil, or whatever, those fires, enye adi ayedi insio guso. O the insio guso I say, the frying pan crap is jaso. Na o the angwe gum. Na o the insio apetiso. Sheseni eye. Sani janebe ebe to spread it. Quickly, what you have to do is offer fire service. Or more occupants, or more water area, and quickly you evacuate them. But don't say ejano extra, now over fire extinguisher or you think you are bold enough to tackle it, you tackle it. But if you think you cannot, please don't try.
Okay.
Quickly call fire service and evacuate.
Okay. Final thing. Sometimes in the process, who say the people around on it looks like they are interrupting. With that one, how do you manage it?
Yes, these are some of the things AMA Fire Police has come into play, because we realize that gone are the past. Some kodumija public, feel say you do wanna we be the kogujano. So no, there are a lot of things that goes on. Now in Yama ESSIEN, a lot of materials are used to produce a lot of products. The moment they come into contact with fire, there are so many reactions that takes in place. It's a yes, sorry, I know this yokoguso. We have to look at those things, and those things shouldn't take us more than 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
It's a ASR assessment now. Feel say, hey, fancy guso na yankwe, and sisa no mubuefu. No, or just say obefa hosu no pia. There are certain instances we have witnessed. I just say nipa okra branch ni okra pa odu mijano. They are born okra jefini. But here is the case. Nipa okra branch odu mijano. He's a trained man. As audience you only a good channel sono. There is an explosion. Explosion ba obede. Ujina ho ebe count. But no onim say explosion ba obede foam. Ebe fan so. They are trained, tactically trained for those things. I always have problem with that. Omu yomu ejuma, ja omu no wi ejuma no mu. They know what they are doing. Ebi wo krampa, omu do no tunsuo no se hwe. Eja no wa ha odinsuo ni gu baby foforo. Their action, he cannot do anything about it. Mind you, our core mandate protect lives and properties. It was share property na akana. E was say o protect it. It odinsuo gu so a eja ne bedu ho no affordada. There is no way ejabede ebitumi ahisa niama no.
Okay, so Sylvester Medasipa ehana yedi enkomo base. Mese say o final words bia o de be mayen.
Yo, Mr. Medasipa na the final words ni say the public should be aware that there is a unit called a fire police. Say answer atodenche medicine. They are the first respondent at the scene. Iti uhu omu wo hono mu a eni omu nko acha 2 minutes obu say operational men so edu hono ye nyina ye ka bom ama ejuma na ide akoso iti mesre so say omu they are risking their life to come and save you omu so mu du hono mu a you should accord them with that respect. Let's stop vandalizing the appliances. Let's stop fighting firefighters at the scene. At the end of the day, we say we achieve a good job done. That's it.
Sa pepepe ti ebesre say unhu say ejahihye bi ekosu wo bebi a obema fire service no ombedi omuhu juma cause they are trained personnel. You do not have any training. Enti yedi besi ha yebeje abrafo nkrato.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no ena afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomeden sem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa pangono kokoi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Yo Ashafo and the Community Connect ye Jume DNA and Como DNA ni nano eba so ewo Pedu Fire Service Headquarters no enti in common enyama yakeka ni na yenim se mwesua ade bebre AFIBA and the program no hu ne sen
Delphina Ebenezer na Nyankopon dia ba bedwini Coastal TV Community Connect. This is the first timer yaba a institution. We say yaba beye. Most of the time, of course, you call communities na ye normal babe. Nti we na kwa say a trial be a testing it with communities, institutional communities to see how it will go. And from baby ame meteno, me huni say akoye.
Okay.
The long and short akoye and nyame ya aduma. We'll be doing more of this in the future. We'll be doing more of this. Yeah.
Today we've learned a lot of things. In Yama Bebre na yenim say fire for or more police for or more departments for more fire police departments ni na or more mayen or more enyama or more ni na no or more kekani ni na chere. Mr. Omar, how has it been so far?
Jo, yamina dama afibezi nkeke no. What's it? Se biara nkanfo da ho yafia ahwe wo de minti sisi ho tum kwahwa ahwenem ayara Coastal TV ye bohina bado de yetum ne yetu de man mari ye hwe oye Ghana ha fana hinara mintinzi de binim bafa oye huni fir akọ oye institution bia oboban wo ye hinabrabam osende obakọ hwan na kira wo ye national program obakọ hwan na panyin bi akọ oye pension obakọ hwan na de medwuma disonko but the oboko medibia no tumukore ya kede yereba na yenhu abatena ase yesuyen zama wotumu ye yehu anwoso hu adwuma wotumu ye nti ye bohena abado antena me hyase no kede se bia ankare ohu ye fia ahwe wo de minti na de bia sisi ho atuma hwe oyeminum nti ye ba ye bushan papa ye hu control room za wotumu ye safety ye hu aza wotumu na wo ye the maso na oil operations za wotumu ye the maso na oil one PR section za wutumu ye eche za yetum yesuyen hinaran ya ba maze na fi iza akwan ye ho enkankan oye wono contact oye telephone numbers no yerba frɛ na fi etum na aboa dama so na mpanyefo kire de prank calls bi ho frɛ afra ho no mo hwada wade da communication oye negative on boa ho adwuma no ni hina wose on boa intimate na fi na check do fire service ho na ma mo hwada oye adwuma abandama na aboko papa osana ubutu hian na oda akọ aya driver akwada kakomodo esuechi nkanfoa anada ankafo na okwa na che gebia no gebia nsi bibia ntumi nsi aba na ma na rebo oya abanka o sen ne the mission na bene hina onye su papa nti bokodo so ya hye binom nkran da won tansre oya dumje adwuma nkankan school fo ana obabo am yehu azanka sankasa wotumo ye enda onye ndam kwetin ofibere tubere no dama na admi offer no orbisa ofibere tubi baba na ihu abisi nkomo na ya hweze otumo rekodo na ya hweze awotumo ye na ya matime mfuso mbibiba awon so otumo ye ho chafa na wa afa etum na achawa adwene ahefa ne yimfa steps abedwuma na wotum na woye nti tama mezen kameken wo se biara nkan fo wotum kan fo no sabi
sa pepepe AFIBA.
All right. Inti Coastal TV Community Connect ene yedi dwumade ni na ebeba na wieye na yendo otumfo nyankopon ase so ama weather no aye clear nso bi anto na program no atimi aba bedru sam pempens we ye wi nso anfa aseda ema yaboafo a omaso yasen yeto omoso a na ya sorry eye National Petroleum Authority eye NPA yesanso ye wo Nesto Ventures Men's Hardware and Finishes, Patmo Print, and yes, and so our Diesel Gift Shop, and last but not the least, your Taste Catering Services. Ya better na hire no din nice because the taste ebemi aduane ane na awafoi na yede asedano yede ebema womo na ye show nkran so say onu omo edija anya de a ubenu hu de biara da Tima yene omo ye Coastal TV Community Connect no ho adwuma no ye wo Ben ye wo Ejay ye sanso ye wo Philip ye wo Andy na ye sanso wo akanipa bako Gabi yes also Gabi and a champion driver and so edi free dwumam ebedu ha asundwam abraye ho amasem yes so edi dwumade no ho chiame no medin edi AFIBA ESSIEN
AFIBA Hansana is in Ken baba no ye for the makunje so the mbo oya the original commander
yeah
here ma me na bad papa the maso na oya the deputy PRO oya ADO3 Fifi Ebenezer Dazi. Sana ano na wanya wa wetu and the penyina wa boa me department bia etum na abakasa. The maso department ahu hinara obai ohie botwetwe nkomo yutiche omo yakopro insurance papa. The maso dumije edwuma efi hina ende ya mission osanda wa boa amahine kwan manda yeza atrentwi pinyenza ya mission papa. Eyi kire de wono so otum ayi hona family yakopro insurance.
Afi within the same.
Afi mezenzi Omar bin Abdullah. And why if you didn't? If you don't so mezen Omar Kofi bin Abdullah.
Yo. Mensumidin the DELPHINA AMPOMAA.
Yo, and na ehana emre ne nkrabia be makwan me the Coastal TV Community Connect ni na abonewe. Nyame ya aduma echina any Sunday, in fact 24 hours economy, any 24/7 services no. And no any running a Coastal TV, digital channel 514, your Facebook, and yes answer your YouTube. So but my answer when you a bedding case, I know when you a video no and free I say Nyame aduma e be say share be mom bye bye.
Thank you.
That's right. Hey. Why ye